What's up? I'm barely hanging on, guys. Barely hanging on. God damn it. I wish I had a better way to start the stream for y'all. But I freaking don't. I don't even know how to start this off. Crypto's crashing. Not good. Make me pissed off and stuff. But I'm always pissed off. So it's just another day. What's up, guys? How's it going? I had like 3 live streams this week. And each one was worse than the last. Come on, guys. You gotta laugh a little bit. Gets too serious. I know some of you guys been crying. I can hear it from here. What the fuck was that? Yep, I can hear it. What's up, guys? How's it going? I got a super chat on a market dump? Historic market dump? What? Dude. Earl, this dump blows. I know, Earl. Some BS, Earl. Pissing me off. How you doing, man? Welcome to Crypto and Coffee. We didn't do it last week because I had a bump all up on my face. I still got stitches on my gums. I can't wait for that shit to come off. Hopefully in time before crypto goes up. What's up, guys? How you doing? We're gonna look at some Bitcoin stuff, whatever, blah blah blah. Okay, so basically, I don't know. Well, this is gonna go over wherever it goes, but typically I go over like macro charts. That would probably be helpful. We'll do that. We should look at some news because there's been a whole bunch of FUD out there. We're gonna do that. We could look at some coins. They're still dropping though, But we can complain a whole bunch right here, guys. Come on, let's go. I know you guys got some complaining to do. I do. I did. I was talking to my wife. I was like, and she's like, babe, go to your live stream. I don't want to hear it. That's cool. Derek, the great crypto buying days of the roaring 20s. Hey, I guess the new roaring 20s, right? It's over, ladies and gentlemen. Kenny Smith voice. Man, John Hill, come on, man. It's not over. John Hill, it's not over. He was buying Feathercoin. It better not be over. What are you drinking, John? It better not be freaking water. Better be coffee or something. Coffee with something in it. Dad Master, it's not over. In the Dad Master's voice. Man, Dad Master knows it ain't over. He's trying to go to Nobu some more. You gonna be all right. Wipe your eyes, John. 32 people, what's up? I was all depressed and stuff until I came on here. I feel a new wind. Feels like you got gutted, huh? Feels bad, huh? It sucks, huh? Sucks a whole bunch. I know. Did anyone expect any crypto? Take your pick. They're all bleeding. Would go front the sky to basement levels within 3 days. Well, I mean, I've seen it, dog. Like people who've been around crypto a long time. Bro, my bags went down 95% in like 3 months. You guys, I've been telling you, like this stuff goes up and comes down with a quickness, like hard. It's very like exaggerated, the volatility here. Yeah, I've seen that before. Good morning, Mr. Dub. How you doing, Andy? How you been? What you drinking, man? Your bag's bleeding? All of the bag's bleeding. Eric, I'm sobbing. It's okay, Eric. We're here to hold you through the hard times, man. Like this. Pause, guys. Calm down. I said pause. Good day, fellow crypto heads. Zeke, what's good? What's the sad face for, man? No, wait, I know what it is for. Dang. Well, guys, you didn't think this was going to be easy, huh? Didn't think it was going to be fun, huh? Probably did. You know what they say. Scared money don't make money. And I don't know. What's up, guys? What are you drinking? What are you smoking? Nothing? That's cool. Something? That's cool. Whatever, it's all good here. Okay, so basically, guys, we're going to go over some macro charts. I'm trying to draw the energy for my inner self, you know, but like it's not working too good, man. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. You guys doing okay? I mean, this is nasty. This is real nasty. Before we do the macro, let's just look at coin market cap. I gotta share my shit. Hold up. Guys, I try to bring the energy every single stream, but you know how it goes sometimes. I got my thing plugged in. Yeah. Okay. Check it out, guys. Everything's bleeding. Bleeding to death. You know this. Dude, SHIBA's getting tanked right now. I mean, actually, no, that's the 24. It's up a little bit. It's bouncing. It's catching a bounce. Not bad. I mean, hey, this thing might come back down to here, guys. It's not that far away, you know? But I'm not trying to dig into everything. Hold up. Let me just pull up the... Damn. Tierra Luna down 73%. Wow. Matic is all over the place. Everything. Holy sh... Look at 30%, 40%. Zcash almost under $100 again. Cosmos at 8. Oh my god. The Central Land 50 cents. Is that good? Is that good? What you guys think? Is that good? Whew. Nah, I could come down more. Holy smokes. I'm about to get me a spot in the Central Land. I'm gonna send out links. That'd be cool, huh? Spot in the Central Land, send out links. You guys can go up there and run around or whatever. VR it. I don't know. I guess. EOS down to, wow. That is almost down to the spot I bought EOS at. Whew. That's nasty. Okay, guys. So, like, let's talk about it. I mean, what? Every damn coin out here is tanking. Let's talk about it. So, look. If you're looking to buy blood in this, you know how where I stand. You could check my other live streams. And by the way, one of the two have his timestamp up. You guys can check that out. The last one isn't, but I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna timestamp this as well, so you guys can come back and refer. But you know where I stand on this. Even though alts are like falling down to death right now, the only reason you should be buying an alt right now, an altcoin right now, is if it has some kind of utility that you're going to use it to mine, stake, something like that, where time can be used to your advantage. If you don't, then you're better off buying, in my mind, not financial advice, Bitcoin, because it's the market leader. It runs up. Then you even get further disparity, not only because it crashed less, but it's running up first. You know what I'm saying? But hey, you know, if you have the patience and the time, you can buy the altcoins down here on the lows. They're just probably going to lag Bitcoin going up. You know what I'm saying? But with that said, talking about big Bitcoin, let's talk about big Bitcoin. 52 people in the chat. What's up? How you guys doing? 1 second. I'm going to jump back and forth. It's going to be like whatever. We're just going to do whatever we want, guys. Screw it. Yeah, it's not, the move's not done anyway, so you know, gotta keep it real. Don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just saying random stuff right now because I'm all bothered and stuff. All right, so guys, this is Bitcoin's chart. This thing ran up. I always do this. Keep you guys, you know, head in the game. What we're actually looking at, not the day to day, not the month to month, but the overall structure, right? So we went up 230%. Over what? The course of 121 days. So the reason I show you guys this, like how much this went up and how long it took, is so you can get a better like understanding, like how long these things really take to play out. Yeah, it's not a month, it's not a week, it's multi-months, right? That's a macro move. Okay, so we're coming down right now, guys. We touched at the lowest point, like what was it? 30K for a Bitcoin. That's pretty much the knife's edge, right? Because this is like the last point where the wicks were like popping off on the dailies, where if we come below that, probably like 27 or whatever, ouch, that's an additional fall of 28%. Okay, right back down to about $20,000. you know, was the last, well, where was it? My bad, guys, my bad. The last all-time high since December 2017. So if that was to happen, we would have to come back down to 32,000 again, right? That's looking like it might happen. We're right in the area. But so you guys know, we could really do one of two things. We can either come back down here, breach 30K and drop further, or we could keep grinding around here. This seems to be like an area of maximum pain right now because, like, I'm not going to say it's the whales doing this, but big money knows that this is like the biggest area of uncertainty right here between 30,000, 33,000. That's why alts are bleeding off so hard and Bitcoin's kind of just hovering because we're so close to this threshold we can drop down. But we got to watch to see if it actually drops down because Bitcoin has done this thing where it's hovered before, just squeezed the liquidity out of all these alts, just like wrung them dry and took off. Okay, that's happened before. That's why, you know, we position ourselves in a way we can react to anything. Have some stable coins on the side in case this thing comes down. For sure, I'll be buying that. But right now, we'll go one of two ways, you know. And we also talked about how this might be a dead cat bounce forming out. Right? Let me jump into the 4 hour. You can see that bounce better. Okay, so well, no, that's not great. So see, guys, the psychology of a drop, we fall out of that pattern, drop about 36%. We finally catch a bounce and people start feeling good. Actually, no, not 36%. It was lower than that. You drop 45%, hit that 30K. I watched it in the morning. I was freaking out, crying. And then we bounced up another, 40% to about 42,000. What was that, yesterday? Now, everyone thought that, oh, we were coming back with a quickness. Hey, you know, these dead cat bounces happen to the best of them. And now we've came back 24%. Now we're back in the danger zone. Which way will it go? Nobody really knows. That's the truth. But with that said, if you're going to buy anything, tranche that thing. Tranche it. Split it up. Break it up. Buy it up. Not financial advice. Because right now, I mean, if anyone's telling you they know exactly where it's going, that's not true. Bitcoin goes up further. Hey, it just head faked a whole bunch of people out of buying lows. If it falls down further, it just tricked a bunch of people buying up here thinking this was the low. You know what I'm saying? So right now, very uncertain time in crypto. But DubDigital, is it the end? Is it the end of the bull run? I don't think so. Why do I say that? Because guys, remember this drop in March 2020. There's a bunch of analysts on Twitter agreeing with me on this. Look at this thing. Just look at it. Look, okay, you know what? I could plot this. I'm rambling on and on, guys, but it's important. It's important, man. So you know, you guys know I always talk about fractals, right? I haven't even done this yet, so I don't know how it's gonna look. It might look funky. Let's see. It's a little baby one. It's a little baby, right? Little baby drop right there. Holy smokes! Wow, looking similar, pretty similar. What do you guys think? It's not perfect. It's not perfect, you know. But like basically, look, I'm gonna pull it down so you can see a little better. Look how similar that looks, guys. Like, am I tripping about that? This looks like the exact same kind of drop. But what happened after that? If this is a similar structure, we know that price charts and price action is basically a measurement of investor sentiment on a given asset, in this case, Bitcoin. And knowing that it's an investor sentiment, that like we could use a structure to extrapolate what might happen in the future using one that's similarly happened in the past, right? So this is the one that occurred in March of 2020. If that's true, let's just go ahead and throw the rest of that move on here, right? Let's get rid of this sucker. I'm just freestyling right now, guys. I'm pulling everything out of the woodwork. Okay, I need to zoom out. All right, Dub. Concentrate, man. You got that bearish thing hitting. You can't even think straight. But hold up. No. Okay, guys, don't click off. 63 people. Chill out. God damn it. I feel the pressure, guys. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna scale this up real quick. Give me a second. Okay, that's kind of crazy. What the? Why is this not working? Holy smokes. Okay. Well, something like that, right? So guys, basically what I'm saying is if something like what happened in March of 2020 occurred, it's so big, it's screwing up everything. But if this happened, it like is happening now, just bigger and scaled up, and we extrapolate that and apply it, I mean, damn, this thing, well, I don't believe that. Nah. Okay, guys, this is not exact scaling, right? But it shows you that this thing dropped. Could it drop down to, I think, 20K? Yeah, it could. But look what happens if the same thing was to play out again. I mean, damn, that's a big old run up. That's a run up that's like some of these analysts are saying. That's what I think could be coming to this. But again, you know, this is kind of like not a perfect fractal. Don't take into account like all this timing and stuff, because that blows out the 4-year cycle out of the water. But what I'm saying is this. We've seen something like this occur before. There was a grind action, then a blow off. We're seeing a very, very, very oversold moment, in my opinion, occurring right now. Super capitulation. People are crying. Buyer's remorse. They're losing their houses. They're losing their jobs. They're losing everything. They're losing their mind. They're freaking out. I've seen this before, guys. March 2020. What happened after that? People who bought the dip got really, really rich. But where does the dip end, guys? We'll have to see. I've been rambling on. I'm losing people. I don't know. I can't keep it together today, guys. My hand keeps moving like this. I can't drink. I got a drinking problem. I don't know. I gotta rely on something today, guys. Comedy. Or something. Let's see. Looking like a 33K Freemason BTC for a while. Yeah, this goddamn Masons. Always bringing things at 33. Dad Master, hard up, hard down, hard up. Every action has equal opposite reaction. Don't invest money you need immediately. Yeah, guys. Sometimes the hardest part is not to throw the rest of that bag in there. Like you're like grab it out of your bag. You got that money. You're like, I'm gonna hit this sucker right now. You're like, when should I throw it? I don't know when to throw it. Maybe you shouldn't throw it. Especially if you need that money, you know, because longevity is key. Like, what if it does drop down to like the 20K? You're not gonna have a bag left. And what if you need that money to live? You're gonna have to sell off your crypto at an extreme discount. You know what I'm saying? So I totally take that. What do you say? Dad Master, that piece of advice, I like it. Sometimes it's better to last longer than to just go balls to the wall buying that dip, because you need to last longer. That is a necessary. And right now, Bitcoin is in 31,000. We're watching this live. Get this crappy fractal off here. That probably created more questions than it helped. Okay, my bad, guys. I'm just trying to come up with stuff. Okay, so look, 31,000. We're watching this real time. Are we gonna watch this thing break through on my stream? This is gonna be a historically bearish stream if that happens. I don't know. It's coming back up. Whatever. We'll come back. I'll keep an eye on it. Mentally exhausting. Like I told you guys, there ain't no easy money ever. You always got to give something to get some. That's the law of the universe. You know, so like crypto comes and goes fast. You know, you need to capitalize quick. But one thing's for sure. If you buy projects you believe in, if you understand why crypto is important, and you actually did the legwork, it's not too hard to hold on. You know, it's just a matter of time. If you started FOMOing into every Tom, Dick, and Harry coin, I guess it's kind of hard to hold on to those bags because you're not that confident in them, huh? That's why you do the FA, and that's why you only buy projects you really believe in. Hey, I'm not going to lie to you. I bought some projects that, they're okay. Trying to make a money grab. I dropped them like it's hot. and I got all the bags that I believe in. I haven't dropped them. It really makes it easier on the back end. Hold up. I think I missed people. Flat smack. I'm making sure I have enough to get a full Bitcoin if it keeps dropping. Fingers crossed. Hey, Flat smack. I like that. Because, guys, let's be real. 72 people. What's up? I'm getting energized. Oh, my. Is it a coffee? It might be the coffee. I ain't been this energized since, well, I don't know. I haven't been this energized when Bitcoin's 31K. A flat smack, I like that. That's a wolf mentality, you know, because at the end of the day, there's unlimited fiat currency and there's only 21 million Bitcoin. Never forget the long game, guys. Play long ball. They could do whatever they want to do. They could crash the price, bring it up, shake you out, make you sleep on the couch, eat lettuce. Not a salad, just lettuce. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, they can't reduce the amount of dollars in circulation. And people always trade bad money for good money all the time. You know? Why do you think people would actually spend what was it? What do they make like the junk, those quarters out of now? You know, in the 1960s, they used to make quarters of what, 90% or some kind of percent silver. Okay. People would save the silver quarters and stuff and the coins and stuff and actually spend the new ones that were like junk. Same thing here, man. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. And believe in crypto like that. I'll tell you what, I've been holding since 2013 and that's actually been what's occurred. Bitcoin has just risen in value and fiat has just continued to be debased. Yeah, there's periods of overvaluation and undervaluation, but the long-term trend has been up and very up. So, hey. Let's see. What's up, Bleeding Gums Murphy? How's the teethies? It's okay, man. I mean, I think they're okay. It looks so ugly, I don't even know. I'm like, what the, babe, is this normal? She's like, I don't know. So I guess it's cool. They're still in here. So, you know, still in here. It's not too like swollen and stuff either. And I'm not drooling. So, you know, that's what's up. I'm selling that bounce if there ever is one. I mean, there should be one. When will it occur? That's the next thing. Like, will it be in a month? Bounces. We already had one bounce. You know, that was that dead cat. Dead cat bounce. You know, that's the thing. Everyone thinks we're out of the woods, and bang, nah. Now you're in it. Even if you weren't in it, now you're in it. So that's why I just say tranche that thing. You know, if you have like reserves, guys, if you got reserves, best thing to do on the dip is to buy the dip. Second best thing to do is preserve your capital. If you're bullish, that means just hold your crypto. If you're bearish, that means sell your crypto. But this ain't a bearish channel, guys. Don't know if you know. How about excited to be buying out here? Hey, Andy's buying out here. Just tranche it, guys. Make sure you have more more dry powder in case we need it. Just saw BitBoy said it was coordinated drop without any sources. Can that be proven? No. Can't really be proven. I mean, even if you knew the wallets, like there's what was it, Whale Watch on Twitter? It like lets you know big like transfers of crypto to and from exchanges into wallets. But hey, this is an unregulated market. There's no registration. How do you know who has what wallet unless you able to piece that together? You know what I'm saying? Like there's no way to prove that. But I don't count it out. You know what I mean? Like guys, look. Why do people think it's so crazy that there can be coordinated efforts to drop prices? Like that happens. That can happen. All you need is a couple people with really, really big bags. Doesn't even have to be an institution. It could just be a handful of really old whales. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it could be that. There's things called market makers, man. Like they sway the market. And there's really no punishment for swaying the market. The SEC only cares about crypto companies coming out to like squash them, but not to help us out when we need it. So, you know, it's regulation in all the wrong areas. 80, what's up? I bought every dip. Hey, Nick. Hopefully you have more though, man. Don't exhaust it. Ah, now I don't have much left. Dang, man. See, that's the thing, guys. How far will it dip? I don't know. But if you always like buying, like use half your capital or 30 your capital, 30 your capital, 30 your capital, you do it by percentage like that. So you're never 100% out. And that way, if you buy all the way down and finally starts rising up, you get that cumulative average. You know what I'm saying? So not like, oh, I'm going to buy like this, like that's, you can tranche it up, like, but make sure you have like, you know, 5 tranches or something like that, because that can extend over time. And set like rules, like every 2 days, I'm going to drop this, drop this, drop this. You know what I'm saying? Or you can just do the percentage way, like I'm going to sell into this drop a third every single time I sell. It's just like a tool you can use to prevent yourself from spending all that capital. I know how it is, man. I know you want to throw all those Ks in there. Come up with a double. That'd be sick, huh? It's just dangerous. It's hard, guys. I'm not going to lie. It's hard, man. It's hard. Payday about 6 days from now. Hey, that might be a blessing. See what the price is in 6 days. I've had that happen. Broke as hell. Don't got no money. But you know what, guys? Hold up. Let me jump over to the Bitcoin dominance chart. We got 70 people in the chat. Now 77 people getting bored. So, okay. Calm down, guys. Calm down. So check it out. Bitcoin dominance. We caught that bounce, baby. Caught the bounce. Look at that. Bitcoin dominance came down, hit that 39% level. And we're bouncing up. That means money is flowing back into Bitcoin out of altcoins. And I mean, even when altcoins, I mean, everything's dropping, which means that altcoins are getting murdered. We know this. Most of the money is getting back into Bitcoin and getting pulled out of crypto. But in comparison speaking, Bitcoin is rising in purchasing power against altcoins, right? So basically, we've popped up about 21%. I think we can go another 4 or 5%, hit 50, right? And guys, just to let you know, we had a gap down right here. A lot of the times there's gap downs or gaps in general. The chart will come back, come back and meet and fill that gap. We did that, and now we're overperforming. You know, this is not weird though on drops, big drops in altcoin dom. I mean, Bitcoin dom. I mean, because look at this, 2017, we had a lot of lift ups, right? So this is not unprecedented. Typically happens. And let me draw this. Actually, I already drew it. This line right here at 50. That the way I got this, guys, is basically this is area of control on the chart right here. And the last time we touched it definitively and got rejected was March 2018. So I'm thinking that we're going to come back up, get rejected again, and, you know, do some grinding, chopping, whatever. And then when people finally realize that we're going down again, bang, we'll come back 36, probably bounce off that because that's the all-time low. And at some point, I think we're going to come down here. I know I sound stupid. I know. But I ain't changing my story, guys. I'm going to hold it till the end. What's up, guys? 78 people. Wow. You guys are looking for answers. You guys are praying. You guys are hurting. Bags are bleeding. BTC dropping. Oh my God. Oh my God. Just learn how to laugh, guys. Learn how to laugh. If you mismanage this, now you know. This is really possible in crypto. This thing goes up and it comes down. So that's why it's like, make sure to have capital on the side to just like capitalize on dips. If you don't got a paycheck, make sure you got enough money to get to the next pump. I mean, thank God I'm okay for a while, man. When you think you bought the dip, then it dumps even further. That is, Glenn, that's what a dead cat bounce is called. You know, sucks people in. People who weren't even involved, sucks them in, think they're getting a deal. Bang. drops out from under you. You're crying. Selling the bounce, huh? I don't know, man. BTC gonna go to 300K in October, I think. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Chris. I mean, Chris, I'm with you. You know, let me come back to the Bitcoin chart. I mean, actually, no, I don't need to do that. I was on that for a long time. But, like, you know what I'm saying, man. 4-year cycle, this is early on in the year. We still have another one to go. A lot of people think that this is the end of the bull run. I'm not of that school of thought. I understand it. I'm not going to knock it, but that's not what I think. So, Chris, yeah, I've been saying Bitcoin 250K. Raul Paul's saying, damn, screw that, 400K. He's a smart guy. Michael Saylor's saying it's going to be like, no, Willie Woo's saying 280K or Plan B, 280K. Willie Woo saying 6 figures. Pomp saying 6 figures. We got a lot of smart people convinced that, like, it's going to be above 6 figures. Hey, I don't buy it. I feel you, Chris. I think Bitcoin's going to go higher. $32K. Well, hold up. Nah, it's worse, man. It's 31K now. It's 31K. That's crazy. Let me pull it up. I should just have this talking. Everyone needs to see. Everyone just wants to see. Look at that Bitcoin. Look at that big. See that? See that, Chris? I mean, Nick, look at it, Nick. Don't look away, Nick. Look at it, Nick. Hey, man. It's all good, man. It's all good, Nick. This is a crash, not a dump. Since the Tether news, BTC been in a free fall. Nah, John Hill, it bounced. So you think this is the end of crypto? John Hill, I'm disappointed, John Hill. I'm disappointed, man. You were over here saying Bitcoin, Diamond, and Feathercoin. John Hill? This ain't a crash. This ain't a crash, man. Well, I mean, look, guys, we can't be buying obscure altcoins and thinking that this is going to be the end of the bull run. Because then we were caught all out of position. You know, I don't think this is the end of the bull run. My US looking like a fool with its pants on the ground. Dancing. Yeah, US looking like trash right now. What's it doing? What's it doing? I'm going to pull it up. Hold up. US. Yeah. That's almost damn, it's in $3 now. Yeah, I mean, come on, man. It was a nice run, guys. We went up $13. We came back down. This is kind of ridiculous sell-off. But hey, guys, look. Yeah, I understand the whole Tether stuff. That's all cool and well and whatever. But what? Why? Like, what's the real precedent on this? Tether lost its peg to Bitcoin. Okay, does that make Bitcoin no longer valuable? Does that make Bitcoin no longer not a peer-to-peer? I got Bitcoin Cash people here. Does that not make it a store of value? Does that make it pristine digital collateral? Oh, wait, we just heard news clippings, right? We just heard some news clippings? Oh, okay. Okay. So that Tether shit and Elon? Okay. Come on, man. That's not a precedent to end a bull run. What? Regulations on the way? I mean, so what if they are? Does that change what crypto is? We all knew that was coming. Come on, guys. Sounds like you got it twisted. Sounds like you got it all mixed up. Why'd you invest in crypto? I gotta get tough with y'all right now. Why you invest in crypto? Because you want to make money? Or you believe in the product? Those are tough questions. BTC dumping right now. Down 1K in 3 minutes. Yeah, guys, I think we yes, it's dumping. It's dumping. Don't get all obsessed with it. You guys could though. You could sell. Y'all could sell. Buy all the way to the bottom. This shit isn't going to be forever, y'all. Hey, Phantom. Yeah, just make sure you got capital, buy all the way to the bottom. The problem is when people buy like dumps, they expend their powder too soon. Just like chop it up. I paid $3,400 to have my car fixed last week and it blew up on the way home. I had to call 911 to put out the fire and they won't give me my money back. Bad week for me. Going to get a lawyer. Dang, man. That sucks. They fixed it and it blew. Yeah, man. Sometimes car shops, they be just like doing the least, you know? They just be doing the least. They're like, you come in, get your car fixed and stuff, and the dude's like, oh dang, we don't have any more of that thing to fix it. I'll just make his car blow up. He won't notice. He can't come back. Hey, shout out to my good mechanics out there. Hey Dubs, what's up? How you been? Earl, I'm trying to buy my Lambo, god damn it. When the student is ready, the Lambo appears. You know what I'm saying? Hey guys, come on. You know, I was going over these charts and you guys got all depressed. Should I finish? You guys gonna stay mentally in the game with me right now? I know it's scary, but damn. Let me finish the charts. 90 people, what's up? This is almost a freaking record. I almost have 100 people. People are looking for answers. People are searching for Jesus right now. Holy smokes. Look at this. Altcoin market cap dumping. From 1.5 trillion to reduction of 58% to 617 billion. We went from trillions to billions. How long? Over like a week and a half. Okay. Well, you know what it is. Where will we come back down? I don't know. I think that altcoin market cap has a better chance of reaching back down to the last cyclical high set in 2017, which was what? $465 billion. So that's another reduction of 25%. I think that's more possible than Bitcoin getting down to 20K, right? Because we know that altcoins sell off harder than Bitcoin. For Bitcoin to come back down to here, that means altcoins are going to be coming down to freaking down here. I think that's a little much. I think this whole thing right now, like if it did this, a 70% correction on the altcoin market cap, wouldn't that be pretty freaking severe? I mean, we could keep going, but if this is severe as hell, guys. We could, yeah, you can make it worse and worse and worse and worse, but like this could do it. That's pretty freaking bad. Okay, I'm done. I gained more people. Okay, I got real ones right now. Coffee, water, banana, sativa. Let's go. Hey, Zeke, sativa. Breakfast of champions. LOL, I don't care. I buy the cheap. Hey, that's a wolf. What's up, Dub? Happy Sunday, wolves. Nah, it's not a happy Sunday, man. People are bleeding. People are capitulating. They're tripping. Nick's over here freaking out looking at the Bitcoin price. Oh my God. Let's see. It's all good, Nick. I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding, Nick. I watched 20K evaporate. I watched more than that evaporate, bro. Happens. It sounds ridiculous, but it happens. This is the only asset class you got to worry about that in. You know, it's crazy. I'm getting thirsty just thinking about it. My throat. I can't breathe. Okay, I'm good. DubDigital, my man. What's up? I'm done with the freaking charts. I did have like blockchain news because there's been some FUD spreading around. I wonder if you guys are interested in that. Usually I lose people if I do news. You guys gonna leave? I will or would not do the news. It depends. Let me see. What they got here? Blah, blah, blah. Bitcoin. Who cares? Bank of Canada. I don't care about this. Hong Kong regulators set to ban retail Bitcoin trading. I think this is the one we got to read. Guys, just be patient. I'm going to read it real quick. We got to know this. This is supposedly a reason why crypto is going to die. So let's see. May 21, 2020. Hong Kong regulators set to ban retail Bitcoin trading. Only millionaires will be allowed to trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Hong Kong. if the FSTB proposal is passed by the city's legislature. Hong Kong regulators have moved to ban retail trading in Hong Kong after months of intense speculation about its likely prohibition. According to a report by Reuters on Friday, the Financial Services and Treasury Bureau of Hong Kong has released the results of its consultation on the possible retail crypto trading ban, which begins back in November of 2020, As part of the conclusions, Hong Kong's FSTB called for a comprehensive licensing regime for crypto exchanges while restricting trading only to qualified investors. Per Hong Kong's laws, only individuals with portfolios worth 8 million Hong Kong dollars, about 1 million US, qualify as professional investors. Wow. Portfolios. Okay. So not necessarily fiat like realized gains. For the FSTB, the retail crypto trading ban is necessary at least in the early stages of the comprehensive crypto licensing regime. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. If passed, the proposed licensing regime will also replace the current opt-in paradigm for crypto exchanges in the city. By limiting crypto trading in Hong Kong to persons with portfolios worth at least 1 million, the FSTB is potentially including up to 93% of the city's population from gaining access to cryptocurrencies. Wow. Well, let's think about it, guys. Okay, so they're effectively cutting out 93% of people from buying and selling crypto within Hong Kong. I mean, that's just Hong Kong. That's not necessarily on mainland China, is it? Do you guys know? Don't think it's that here. Another related development, Hong Kong's government is reportedly planning to empower the city's Securities and Futures Commissions to withdraw the licenses of already authorized crypto exchanges. Oh, and they're stripping the crypto. Okay. I mean, look, guys, look. Hong Kong ain't China. Is China doing this? Because Hong Kong has way less people than China. I know Hong Kong is a financial hub between like the East and the West, but it's Hong Kong. It's not super huge, even if it was. China has lied to us before. In fact, China brought down the 2017 bull run. You know what I'm saying? Like, why are we trusting them so much? They changed like the wind over there. We'll have to see. But okay, you guys think that's worth like ending the bull run? Because I'm pretty sure India banned like crypto in 2017 and it was cool. You know, we'll see. Racked up another 10K Digibyte. Hey, that's hot. Rolando. I like it. Flatsmack smoking sour diesel. Flatsmack don't give a damn. Flatsmack's car broke down, blew up. This fool don't give a damn. He's living on the couch, sleeping vodka, drinking vodka for dinner. Nice. I'm smoking crack at this point. Hey, that's hard, man. That's a hard one. I can't condone that. Can't condone it. But hey, you know what? Do what you got to do. I don't judge. Smoking on this ether packed from the supposed ether killers, laughing my ass off. How? Oh, you're talking about EOS? EOS is falling like a rock. I got some EOS for $1.40 this morning. Like on WANSwap. They got a big old discrepancy. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, I don't give a damn. There's not that much like supply on there, I think. That was I'm trying to arbitrage it. Where you get it from like one exchange really cheap and you sell it and flip it for a higher price at another exchange. FYI, but like I almost damn near ate up the supply by myself and it wasn't that much trust. It was not that much. So people must be withdrawing their EOS from WANSwap. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm bullish as hell. Yeah, me too, man. Like, yeah, I'm acting all depressed and stuff. I'm like, moping around. I do that when I get upset, guys. I mope around. But at the end of the day, man, it's like a rubber band getting pulled back. We saw it in March 2020. You looked at the damn structure. It looks a lot the same as of what's forming out now. Just this one is huge. So if we know that Bitcoin shot up after that small pullback in March 2020, what's going to happen to Bitcoin after this one? Granted, it doesn't die, guys. Granted, it doesn't die. Why would I say Bitcoin's going to die? I have a crypto channel, guys. Everyone's asking me every single second, do you think this is the end of the bull run? Do you know who I am? No, I don't think it's the end of the bull run. I can't think it's the end of the bull run. I'm a crypto channel. And by the way, no, I don't think that, guys. No. But you know what? I never tell you what to do or who to listen to. It's not financial advice. What the? What? You smoking noodles over there? You smoking noodles? What kind of noodles, bro? Is that a strain? Or are you just smoking pasta? It's not that serious, bro. I'm broke. Smoking noodles. Forget the money. It's the number of coins you can afford now that is the focus. If the crypto sale continues, I'm buying the blue chips and big gamble on quality projects. ICP might be good. Oh, yeah, internet computer? Well, that's new. You know that. Let's pull it up. Let's pull it up. I gotta switch you guys your focus. You're right, Derek. I gotta switch to focus. Okay, ICP. $89, 86 people on the chat. What's up? How you guys been? 85 people. They don't like me talking to them. Damn. Yeah, this thing shot up to like $700, right? And now it's 130. It caught a pretty good big bounce when it was getting to the low hundreds. So maybe that's a spot. Look at this big uptick in volume. A lot of people bought it there. Bleeding down again. Let's see if it holds. If it doesn't hold though, I'm thinking it is because look, it's like kind of rounding out, right? It's kind of rounding out. So probably 100, low hundreds is a good place to enter on this. It's hard though. It's new, at least on this chart, right? So, but yeah, I feel you, Derek. When things like this happen, guys, you don't need to be looking for small caps. You need to be looking for market leaders that are going to lift off before the small caps. You know what I'm saying? Like, damn, my computer's all loud and shit. Sometimes my computer's breathing hard. I'm like, you okay over there, dude? You don't even smoke. Oh, I gotta laugh or something, guys. What the hell you want me to do? Sit there cry in front of you? Can't do that. It's a bad look. But you know what I'm saying? Like blue chips, market leaders. That's why I'm telling you Bitcoin, because it lifts off first. And then you know what usually follows Bitcoin? Ethereum, sometimes Chainlink, right? That lifts off before the other ones. Then it trickles down, right? When the market starts feeling more confident, like, oh, damn, Bitcoin's so high. Oh, my God. I'm going to move my profits around. Oh, my goodness. Move. Oh, dang. And then, like, people just start getting more and more confident. That money starts seeping down further and further into the more obscure layers of the economy, right? All the way down to the small caps. But if small caps take off last, wouldn't you make more relative value by like transitioning those profits down the ladder of like hierarchy? You guys can do whatever you want, but like that's the thought process. When we have real big dumps like this, hey, you can go get that good stuff, because usually market leaders, they don't drop like this. It's usually the smaller stuff. So I hear you, Derek. Doge flipped BNB. LOL. What's Doge doing? 3 people. Wow. I'm blessed. I'm blessed, guys. Day of the Doge is coming. Doge got to hold 23 cents. Doge has to hold 23 cents. Or everyone who was all up in Doge, done. See you later, alligator. SHIBA, let's do it. We're looking at Doge right now. Why not? I know everyone, it's basically like Doge 2. SHIBA's catching a little bounce, but hold up. Oh, it caught a little bounce. That bounce is done. SHIBA got to hold like right here, right now, or else it could come down to here. And at that point, guys, at that point, SHIBA isn't a horrible buy. Sometimes all you need is patience, guys. I'm smoking ODGE hodlers. Hey, Doge hodlers. Glenn, did you take any profits off Doge? You guys rotating profits out of Doge? Whenever you have a very volatile asset like that, just bang, bang, like XRP, OXT, SXP, Doge, XLM. Those are like oscillators. They shoot up high, but most of the time they're on the ground. They shoot up high. So like every time you have one of those that shoots up high, you need to harvest some of that profit, you know, because that's just what it does. That's just the nature of the asset. Like if you see something that goes spikes up, spikes down, you're not going to expect it to stay up forever. That's not what it does, you know? So just make sure if you guys are in those assets, make sure to pull some off. I got Audius, Algo, Tether on discount at 6 a.m. LOL. Everything's on discount. This is all you can eat buffet. But guys, notice, like, whenever there's a good deal, people are hesitant to buy. Whenever there's bad deals, people love to buy. That's just the psychology. And if you can recognize that within yourself and catch yourself, you can get better and better at preventing yourself from acting out of that, like, non-consistent thinking, you know? You find yourself wanting to chase pumps. It's a lot of the times you can make money if you treat it like a cash grab. But if you get caught on one of these big down legs, this is critical. This hurts, you know? That's why, like, hey, I don't really like to buy very high coins. If anything, I wait for them to come back down. And a lot of the time, they come back down. 85 people, what's up? $1 trillion shaved in a week. Feds pumping and dumping on taper back their balance sheet. This ain't over. Yeah, I mean, hey, aren't they going to keep easy money going for the Fed? As long as they keep printing money, and unless the economy has gotten better, like I don't know that. Did that happen? I still see a whole bunch of homeless people everywhere. So like, what are they going to do? They got to print. They got to print. And if they print more money, that means the same amount of goods or even more, like this, more money is chasing the same amount of goods. That's the economic thought process, guys. Doge and SHIB are strong buy opportunities. Hey, I mean, tell you what, if you were all about SHIB and Doge all the way up there in the sky, you should be about it now. Fraction of what they used to cost. The key question, which coin has come down very most? EOS? Question mark. Hey, Andy, maybe. But EOS was just primed for that pump already. So it came down off its pump. So like, you know, some coins, what am I going with this? What I'm saying is, yeah, it's a good place to buy EOS. Do you think it's going to outperform Bitcoin though in the short term? I don't think so. Everything is so sensitive to like Bitcoin right now. Whatever Bitcoin does, it doesn't matter if EOS came out with a bullish exchange tomorrow. That wouldn't matter right now. You know what I'm saying? So just be careful, man. Vet. Take a look at Vet. Damn. Shit's tanking, man. Vet could come down to 5 cents. Damn. Last time you could get Vet at 5 cents was February 2021. We'll see. I mean, hey guys, it's a lot of good projects suffering from this thing. They're not all slackers. I mean, VeChain has a partnership with Walmart China and maybe even Sam's Club. I haven't followed up on that. And it's dumping like every single shitcoin, you know? So like everything is pulled down, even the good stuff. That's why things like this, they're not necessarily bad opportunities. Should you be able to grasp the opportunity? Pretty sure this is the time to buy, guys. This is irrational. This is crazy. Let's see. Doge was the hugest head fake for normies. So like, I know there's a lot of them in it, being like new money. I know that they were in it, but I don't think it's a head fake, man. If you look on Doge's history, it's done things like this the whole time it's been alive. It pumps up, it comes down. There's people like older crypto people who plan on like Doge pumping every cycle. So like, it was just like the one that took off like really big, really first. And you know how it goes. Money and people, they search for that attention. They look for it. They think it's validation that the thing that is the most expensive is the most valuable. Little do they know that price discovery doesn't always work like that. Sometimes things get overvalued. So rudimentary money looks at the highest price. Like, oh, this stock is the best because it's high. It goes up a lot. That means it's the most successful. No, not necessarily. You know. Buy year in finance too. YFI, what's it doing? I was just looking at coins all day yesterday, just like, oh my God, look at this. Don't hide from it, guys. I know you don't want to look at it. I know you don't want to pull up CoinMarketCap. Don't hide from it. Look at this stuff, man. You need to know how things get affected so you can learn the market better. YFI, what's it sitting at? 28,000? Wow. This thing is coming down. Wow. This thing almost hit 100,000, right? Oh, God dang. That's crazy. That's crazy. This make me thirsty. Why am I thirsty? Dub, must me dumping. Nathan. You drank too much coffee, Nathan? I don't know what that means, man. I'll buy Bitcoin when it's below 10K. Nick, why would it be below 10K, man? Like, what do you see on the chart? Why would it go to 10K? That's like double worse than anything I've heard from anybody. Nope is real said, let's go. I like that. Almost got 100 people in here. Guys, hit the likes. Oh my God. Hit the likes. If you get 100 people on here, Bitcoin called me earlier. They still go back up. My chair is breaking. What the hell? Oh, there's bad omens everywhere. Waiting on LTC to reach 60. Oh man, that sucks. That sucks. But it's at 130 right now. LTC at 130. Whoa. What? See, that's my life right there. That's my life. I got a big old bag in LTC. Look at see that's my luck, guys. Look at bang. Life's like, oh, Dub, you're doing great, Dub. I love you, Dub. I'm like, thanks, life. Bang. Psych. You gotta laugh, guys. Some of this shit's freaking ridiculous. At some point, though, man, like Litecoin, it's old coin. It's an OG coin. We'll see where it stops. Has it been bouncing at all? Okay, we see some people buying dips along the way. Doesn't mean it won't fall farther, but this is very, very extreme. What's it got? Well, 25% today. Wow. Everything's dumping, guys. Feels like we're back in December. A flat smack, it does, right? Yeah. Yeah. The feeling is similar. That's why I'm like, we gonna launch out of here? Because, guys, I felt like this. I felt like this before. I remember sitting in my damn cubicle, freaking out. People looking over my cubicle like, you okay, bro? I'm like, shut up. Shut the fuck up. I shouldn't have said that. Now YouTube's gonna do, I don't know, warn me? What are they doing? Freaking out. Tell my friends, buy Bitcoin. But then I'm like, I can't buy it myself. And then all of a sudden, Bitcoin takes off. And then I'm like, God, every next time this happens, I'm gonna buy it. But every time it happens, it's hard to buy. I think that's the feeling. The Wall Street cheat sheet. That's a good one. $90 people, what's up? This is dope. I got a lot of people on here. Making me feel all good. Thanks for joining me during your bearish moments, guys. Means a lot. Okay. Wall Street cheat sheet. It's this thing. Right here. Hold up. No, that's Wall Street. See this, guys? This is the psychology of like a market cycle. Okay? Disbelief, hope, optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria. When it comes down, complacency right after that dip. People think it's coming back. We just needed to cool off for the next rally. That's the dead cat bounce emotion right there. We just had that. Now we're coming back down to the lows, around the lows right now. Freaking anxiety. Why am I getting margin calls? This dip is taking longer than expected. That's where I think we're at right now because we're heading back down. We're somewhere around here. We got that dip and we're coming down further. People are realizing that maybe that was just a dead cat bounce. Holy crap. I might lose my whatever. I might lose my freaking bag. I'm going to sleep on the couch. I'm out of vodka. What am I going to eat for dinner? You know what I'm saying? That's what everyone is sounding like and feeling like right now. Then if we drop down further, denial, panic. But the thing is, guys, in bull trends, a lot of the time we go to euphoria, we come down, bounce up into complacency, come right down to the threshold around anxiety. Because once we pass that and go lower and lower and lower, that means the bear market's here. What happens on these like retracements is we get pretty close to the edge of bear market. People think bear market's coming. People run for the hills, and then we continue higher. It happens enough times over the cycle where people get comfortable buying the dip because they've seen it work time and time again. But then, at the time of most confidence that the dip is going to go higher, bear market comes and rips some money from people. If this is later in the year, I would be very, very I guess hesitant to say that. No, I think we're coming back because we're so early in the year. Hey, I've never seen a market cycle end this soon. But you know, that's a controversial take. I'm a controversial guy, guys. I don't know what to say. I have 100% of my bags on DEXs via MetaMask. Do you have any secure risk issues with that? Anything else I'm not considering? WANSwap, Zoo, 1inch, no personal liquidity needs. So yeah, I mean, you guys should be using a hardware wallet, guys. Hardware wallet. I use Ledger Nano. Hey, hold up. I'm gonna pull it up for you guys. You guys need to learn this. I didn't know how many people didn't know this. Okay. I'm learning every day. Okay, beware the ongoing phishing campaigns. That's just what I gotta deal with. Because I bought a Ledger like a long time ago. They got their info hacked. I was all caught up in that. But if you're buying it right now, it's not a problem. Okay. So don't let this freak you out. That's a people like me thing to worry about. But I use Ledger Nano X. Okay. And these are the products right here. Let's talk about it because right now is the time we can't really necessarily concentrate on the bullish gains we're going to make in our portfolio, but we can pay attention to the fine details that a lot of people don't pay attention to. Number one cause of losing money in crypto ain't getting wrecked. It's a big one, but that's not the number one. Number one is losing or getting hacked or phished. Okay. So the reason you need to get a cold storage or hardware wallet is because there's a pretty much a mechanism within these wallets that prevents your private keys and stuff getting accessed by the internet. And that's the one way that people steal funds in crypto is they get your seed phrase or your passwords or whatever, public or your private key, so they could spend crypto out of your hardware wallet and send it off into their account or whatever, right? So this hardware wallet doesn't even let it ever get exposed to the internet. So even if you get infected with malware, in theory, it shouldn't really matter. So you should be storing it here. Like anything like MetaMask, anything like Trust Wallet, it's good to like be in and out of crypto and stuff, but you shouldn't be holding your core positions there because it's connected to a device that's always connected to the internet. Your one phishing attempt or like Trojan, like Trojan or whatever away from getting compromised. So yeah, Zeke, make sure to go pick one of these up. I got the X because it allows you to store almost any kind of bag you want, a lot of memory and storage. There's a less expensive one. It's a Nano S. I've also used it. I just use the X because I got a lot of cryptos. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the price tag, some people could think it's a little much, but this is an investment in your actual like digital money. and keeping it safe. Think of it as just cost of doing business. 86 people. What's up? Smurf Durf, bro. What's good? Irrelevant. R. Irrelevant. Let's look at that R coin, man. This that R coin, man. So like, I know you're talking about this thing when it's high up in the sky. Just look. This is a good example. Why I don't like to buy high in the sky. Because things like this happen once in a while and it comes all the way down. And I can come back in at a lower point. Lower than I probably could have, you know, unless I was really playing on this momentum move, which usually people aren't. They're just like trying to get scalp some profit off it, right? So that's not looking pretty. But if you have some capital on the side, you could potentially double, triple, quadruple your bag if you're really, really bullish on the coin. BS so bullish, chilling. Hey, what am I drinking? Drinking freaking cold brew coffee, man. I don't know. My coffee get cold over here anyway. Screw it. I'm bleeding out, bro. Help. Glenn. Stay with us, Glenn. Stay awake, Glenn. Come on, man. Jeez. Glenn. He's gone. Rip. It's dangerous out here, guys. This is like Saving Private Ryan shit. EOS to 100 USD in 2021. I still believe. Me too. I mean, I've been saying 200 EOS. That thing moved up really hard. Its first impulse up. Bang, 13. Super parabolic. This is a really, really far correction for EOS. It's kind of correction that would throw us up to those crazy triple-digit numbers, you know? Am I weird? Yeah. Andy, you crying blood over there? What? Sitting on 1K, thinking of just betting on red. Betting it on red? Oh, you're talking about doing like a short? You could. You know what I think about those though? Hold up. Well, I was retired. Back to work. Hey guys, money comes, money goes. You know what I'm saying? Nothing lasts forever. That's why if you sit in your bags not pulling any profits, it's a risk. It's a risk. People like to treat this like stocks, like equities. This isn't a 30-year bull run scenario. This is a very truncated, condensed bull run scenario. So when you got some money, make yourself whole. Sell a third. You know, keep some skin in the game. Like, these things happen. I've been exhausted for 6 months. Oh, that's how long you've been in Truth Network? Yeah, I mean, it's a hard game to play. Bear markets are harder though. What's happening, bro? Help. Hey, so we did some macro charts earlier on. So, hey, this looks like a bigger version of the March 2020 crash. You know? So like what happened after that crash? We grinded, went sideways, rose up, blew out. That's essentially what I said. But I'm a timestamp. I guess I'm farming WAN swap Zookeeper for the next 24 months. You got this. You got this. Hey, but guys, so I mentioned different strategies you can use to throw off cash. Like this is a perfect time to get something to throw off cash. So I'm still liquidity mining WAN swap and WASP and Zookeeper. Instead of just keeping the WASP because alts are underperforming, I'm transitioning that into USDC, right? For the time being, to see where Bitcoin's going. My ultimate goal is to then reinvest that into BTC, the market leader, you know? But right now, I need longevity to outlast this dip so I can participate in the pump should it come on the other end of this. So anything that throws off more money for me to be able to do that, to exist longer, to partake in that is good for me. That's why, you know, staking, liquidity mining, throwing any kind of yield off that you could just keep stacking that, really buy the blood if there really is some, or make you last longer is a benefit to you. Got to switch it up, guys. Learn how to switch it up. Be water, my friends. Still holding band? Yeah, I mean, I'm looking to get more band. Like, what is band doing? I haven't even looked at band in a long time. And okay, band's not looking too bad. I mean, I'm glad it came back down here. This looks a lot like OXT. Like, without the big blow off, it looks a lot like OXT, to be honest. But yeah, hell, $5 a band. Supply is 100 million supply. Oracle, competitor to Chainlink. I have some partnerships. I forget where. What did I talk about in my video? I haven't seen that in like half a year. But yeah, I mean, they got partnerships all over. People are using Band and Chainlink. But hey, again, if you like Band now, think about the value you can get if BTC takes off first, then reinvest in that in the Band. Just an idea. But Band, yeah, I mean, it's bleeding hard. Oracles are hot. Everyone knows that. The DENT, dude, this hurts so bad. Look, guys, you didn't think we was gonna make $1 million like for free. You gotta pay the price. You gotta bleed that blood. You know what I'm saying? That's price of admission. You can't be in the Moon Club if you don't want to pay the price. We all pay the price in crypto. Fuck this hopium shit. Yo, wreck. All of you. And Rothus, why you looking at crypto streams, man? Just drop your bags and get out of here. Or are you looking for hopium too? Sounds like it. I'll buy 50 euro a month and I ain't selling shit. Just keep buying little portions till the day comes I can quit my job. Patience, guys. Wayne White, that's what I did. That's what I did. And all my friends who didn't buy no crypto when I told them to buy crypto, looking like I'm like jealous and stuff, like I'm lucky. Nah, man. I was dropping that money when it was hard to drop it. Morning, guys. More discounts over the weekend. Yay. Time to accumulate. Hey, that sounds like a wolf. Blesses, my brother. Thoughts on ADA charts as compared to most alts in the coming weeks, months? I wouldn't look at ADA compared to other alts. I'd look at ADA compared to Bitcoin, because you're looking at the coin that's dropping the least, right? ADA, I mean, it's probably going to chop around here because look at all this support that's been built into here. This has been pretty straight down, right? If this thing chops through here, holy smokes, that's a buy. That's a huge buy. But look how much coiling and squiggling there is right here. It's probably going to chop around. It's going to give us some more indication what it plans to do in, the next couple of days or so. But yeah, I mean, ADA is coming down with a quickness. I don't know the whole percentage. It's down, but I would have to compare it against BTC. In fact, you would want to look at the ADA BTC pair. You know what I'm saying? Take a look at that. Would you please explain your opinion on CBDC using Hedera hash graph? Yeah, I think CBDCs like things like Hedera, mainly because it's cheap transactions. There needs to be a lot of them to be done. But it also gives them an infrastructure, a common infrastructure to work off of without making a tech themselves. Because the Fed has like a lot of history taking products from the private sector and adapting it to their uses. They've even said they're going to work with an existing solution. A lot of people say it was going to be XRP. Well, I don't know how that's shaking out. In fact, I mean, unless the SEC changes their tune on that, to me, that's out the window. But like Hedera's looking hot. I get why they like it. It's also green, so it fits into that global warming thing, the carbon neutrality stuff. I mean, you see the World Economic Forum talking about carbon neutrality. It's the hot topic. So yeah, I mean, it makes sense when you think about it. 81 people, what's up? Thoughts on BSV? What is it doing? BSV. Hour 15? Dang. This is a hard stream, guys. I know. I still got 78 people. That's tight. $143. Wow. Wow. That's wild. I would wait for this thing to come down for, I mean, dang. I mean, it's retraced a lot, but this thing might go into the 2 digits. I mean, look, it did a bounce and it's dropping pretty substantially. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this thing might come down further. There's some people buying a dip, but I mean, they've been doing it the whole way and it's been dropping farther. So, yeah, I'll be looking for the 2 digits on BSV because I'm just greedy like that. It's a good learning lesson for the new bros. It is. It is. This is a lesson. Don't run from the lesson. You're already in it anyway. You know, like crypto drops harder than most people think is possible. Crypto pumps harder than most people think are possible. We don't say this for fun. It's true. Fun in Israel. This is a wild ride. Didn't be in the farm this time around. Did a few years ago and it was a bloodbath. This time around, just a few minor flesh wounds. Hey, I mean, sounds like you've been around the block a little bit, you know? This hurts, but it's not a 95% correction. I've seen that. Thank you. Cumulative average. Nobody else explains that to our bleeding cousins out there. Hey, cumulative average over time. Don't exhaust your funds. You'll be okay. If you're concerned about funds, don't buy into the dip. Should come back. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. Because some of us got caught out of position, right? So do the second best thing. Just hold on. Not financial advice. Hold on if you want to hold on. You know what I'm saying? My mom says I'm a cumulative average. You think she was dissing a brother? Yeah. Yeah, she was. That's messed up. Why gotta do that, Fanta's mom? Not cool. No BitBoy fans allowed on this channel. I'll let them on. They just gotta be on good behavior. Gotta be on good behavior. But see, guys, look, we got all these kind of people in the comments kind of freaking out. Didn't we just look at the Wall Street cheat sheet? We did. I ain't selling. Come be broke with me. I'm gonna be broke. That's for sure. No, it's not for sure, but you know what I'm saying. Feeling broke. Hold up, what? Well, damn. I woke up and looked at my bags and immediately checked to see if Dub is up live to be my emotional support. Thanks, Dub. Right? 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 Screw charts. I know what you guys need right now. You need a little pep talk. Need a little pep talk, guys. Okay, look at me. Look at me right now. Come on. We had our like pity me moment right now. We felt sorry for ourselves. Come on. Let's get with it. Let's get with it. Let's get it together. Breathe in. Breathe out. I feel zen and shit. What the heck? 73 people, what's up? Bitcoin is shitcoin. Buy useful stuff. Nick, what the heck, Nick? You're all over the place. You care about Bitcoin's price. You don't care about Bitcoin's price. You're buying other alts when it's dropping harder than Bitcoin. Nick, pick a lane, man. When do you see alts recovering? Well, we gotta wait for the drop to stop. You know, like the time frame is based off the technicals. Technicals are basically shapes. I can't chart shapes that haven't appeared yet, or else it's more or less a guess. Let's wait for this thing to start leveling out. See what's actually going to happen. Is Bitcoin going to drop from 30K to 27K to 20K? It all really matters depending on timing. So let's give it a couple days. See what happens here. Are we all going to get freaking head faked and Bitcoin goes the other direction? It happened before. Is it going to go farther? I can see a reality where that plays out. But from like a guesstimate, because I'm trying to be upfront with you guys, a guesstimate, I would say like a month. It's going to take a little bit of time for people to like not get scarred by this. A lot of people just lost a lot of money for the first time in crypto, you know? So this is going to hurt sentiment. So it might take some time. Hell, depends how far it drops. It goes to 20K, it's going to take some time, you know? But hey, I'm not talking about like, oh, until next year. No, I'm still a believer of the 4-year cycle. We still got to get up there. How we get up there, that's the point everyone's trying to figure out. And that's the multi-million-dollar question, guys. There's people who are like legit professionals, legends, trying to figure this out too. Hard market to navigate. But just give yourself some leeway, some time. Let it breathe. Let the market recover. See what happens. Then we react. Elon started to bleeding. Hey, you guys still like Tesla? Elon just ripped off all your money. Damn. How's that feel? A billionaire just bled all your bags down to the ground when he still's got some billions of bucks. Sounds like a savior of the people to me. Crypto is pure speculation. Fun in Israel. Isn't everything speculation? People act like stocks aren't speculation. What the hell? Those things have been on a 30-year bull run. You know? Currency valuations are speculation. Compared to each other, they're all pieces of paper. Everything's speculation. So I hate it when people signal crypto out like it's speculation when everything in the freaking world is speculation. Gold, price of gold is speculation. Everything is speculation. Inherent value, what does that mean? You know, so like when I look at it from a standpoint of utility, crypto is more useful in the digital age and a lot of other things. You know, is it going through price discovery? Of course it is, just like every new asset. Just like gold was when it first started getting publicly traded. Gold look a lot like the freaking Bitcoin price. It's going through price discovery right now. We're just in big wild swings because people don't know how to like value this stuff. What the heck? You know, like money that's not physical, that besides the US dollar, that really hasn't been done in history before. Non-physical money, like all digital money. LOL, there's 3 ways to the crypto bull market. We either about to hit the second big wave or we're into the third. I mean, look, the one that, yeah, I mean, this pullback that happened in March 2020, it fueled the first blow off, or not first blow off, but the first impulse. We're getting another pullback. That would indicate that we would get another impulse. I mean, that's basically what it's told us. I just grabbed my phone to buy more, then I put it back. Hey, just take a break, guys. If you're having a problem with that, just take a break. Do something else. Go take a walk. You know? Go lay out in the sun or something. Go pray. Now I can't afford vodka. You can make vodka, man. You got the internet? You can make it. I believe in you. Bitcoin down to 10K. Sell, sell, sell. Nah, Joe. We don't sell into weakness, bro. That's not what wolves do. Well, okay. That's not what I do. Y'all do whatever you want. Y'all are adults, not financial advice. Chilling at the beach, not giving up. That's tight. I like that. Beachside chilling. I'm calling the bottom. Let's put up some music. Hey, he's calling the bottom. Big brand. Jared, good point. 2013, China bans cryptocurrency. 2017, China bans cryptocurrency. 2021, China bans cryptocurrency. You guys notice something here? Maybe. I think so. Bitcoin has been illegal in China for a while now? I don't think so. Vodka and coffee? Yeah, bro, don't knock it till you try it. Have you heard about Pirate Coin? Yeah. R. We just looked at it. Come back, I'll timestamp it, but that thing's tanking like a rock. V-Chain on the cheap. Dang. Hey, yo, 140 Yuan swap? I gotta go. Yeah. I think I raised it to like 220. And I didn't buy that much, about like double, like 20 or something. It was like pretty thin, man. So you might not be able to get a lot. I just bought a little Zcash because it's fallen even more than EOS. 21 million. Electric Koi Company, Zuko Wilcox. Roger Ver, one of the early investors. I don't know, guys. Zcash is real quiet. And it just had a halving. Wow, I just had a halving. Couch mad at me. Floor won't let me sleep on it. We out on the curb smoking peaches and cream. Matt. You got to show that floor who's boss. Smack that couch around a little bit. Say, hey, you let me sleep on you. What the heck? I don't pay this rent for nothing. But if you want to be outside, get some rays, man. I get it. Get some of that. Get some of that sunshine. Soak it up. I feel you. 69 people. It's hard to keep people entertained when their bags are bleeding. I don't know what to do. You guys want something? What's my real ones at? You guys want something? Some vodka absinthe coffee? Yeah, some vodka. That's a special today. The vodka absinthe coffee is dope. Got me seeing stuff. Is that Alice in Wonderland? What the hell? EOS up $1.82 on WANSwap right now. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna try to arb the shit out of that. Yeah, BSO bullish. Yeah, WANSwap is a multi-chain like DEX that you can get back and forth from like EOS to Bitcoin to Ethereum and stuff. It's derived by like the supply on the liquidity on the protocol. So it suggests that like either there's really low stable coin in it, or like EOS is low. So something like that's happening right now. But what you could do is you can get that in Arbit, send it to an exchange, sell it for whatever they're selling it for. I think Gemini was like $5 still. You know what I'm saying? So hey. Head and shoulders pattern on BTC ? What time frame? I wasn't seeing that on the daily, but that's the daily. Hold on, I'm checking. Yeah, that's a 5 minute. I mean, not even the 4 hour. So where at? Which time frame do you see that? 72 people, what's up? More than $1 trillion got wiped out of crypto land. Do you think Bitcoin was overvalued or under? I mean, overall, from the macro, like where Bitcoin I think should be, I think it's undervalued. Did we get to 65,000 pretty quick? Yeah, we did. So it's giving back some. When I say some, it's giving back a lot. The problem is, man, whenever Bitcoin goes up in a price discovery, no one cares about Bitcoin going from 10,000 to 14,000. No one gives a damn about that. They don't care about it going from 3,000 to 14 to 20,000. No one cares about that. But the second Bitcoin goes above 20,000, everyone in the world looks up and they're like, oh my God, Bitcoin's booming. I got to get it. They start throwing their money in. These are all people who don't know what Bitcoin is. They don't know its value. They just want to make money. They're chasing that pump. They're chasing it. And it goes up and up and up, and it does a doge, and it goes up and up and up, and then it starts tanking. And people who bought Bitcoin undervalued, way undervalued, know what it is. They understand that things go boom and bust. Overvalued to undervalued. People who are just chasing the money don't. They don't understand any concepts in investing typically. So they drop it. Oh no, I gotta get out. Sell, 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 sell. These things come down like a super lot, a lot. It has all to do with the money invested in the asset, not just the asset, right? So if you have people participating in a move who don't really understand what's going on, it's really scary. They think that this is the end of Bitcoin. But where have we heard that before? We've just heard that over and over again in Bitcoin's history. Why? Because over and over again, there's a section of new people always coming into this, investing into it, and seeing this for the first time. And they really do think Bitcoin is a scam. People who've been there the whole time, they said might be a little more to this, you know? So in terms of like where Bitcoin should be, what you should do is take the amount of Bitcoin, 21 million, the amount of existing money printed by like central banks and stuff all over the world, and divide it by 21 million. It's not perfect math, but it'll get you to show you how much money one Bitcoin should be valued if the wealth was evenly distributed into Bitcoin. You know, then you can take some kind of margin account for like, okay, yeah, DubDigital, but not all the money would find its way into Bitcoin. Yeah, granted, I agree with you. Like then half it. It's still a huge ass number. You know, like look, you guys ever seen was it Debt Clock? Show you guys Debt Clock. This is for America, the American economy, guys. Calm down. I know I got some global people out here, but this is the U.S. Debt Clock. This basically counts how much money has been printed. Right now, the U.S. national debt is $28 trillion. Okay, guys. So if you think Bitcoin hitting or crypto hitting $2 trillion or $1.5 trillion, whatever the hell we just hit, was a lot, guess what? United States national debt is almost 30 trillion. That's 15 times what crypto just almost hit. Like, you know what I'm saying? And then, okay, yeah, then also add every other country's national debt into this. So if you see this continually going, this thing's rising like $100,000 every freaking second I look at this thing. If there's more and more money and crypto is denominated in dollars and there's more and more dollars, doesn't it make sense that you'll always need more and more dollars to buy crypto, to buy Bitcoin? That's what it suggests. And then you can look down here. It's crazy, guys. Like this is usdebtclock.org. It has other breakouts, man. Where's the silver? Check this silver. Dollar to silver ratio now. For every ounce of silver, per what's printed and reported on this site, it takes $4,776 if everything was meant to revert back to the mean. Now it gets all to, then that brings up, okay, what are you talking about? Silver's not that expensive. Silver's only like 28 bucks an ounce. Then we get into, hey, how come real assets don't reflect what the value should be when you divide things? Hey, I'm just a dude on the internet, guys. I don't know. Are we going to talk about the supposed colonial pipeline hack? Oh, are you talking about the gas? Yeah, I mean, hell, where's the gas on this thing? So, okay, so like there's like a supply shock to oil and stuff, right? Is oil going up? What is oil doing right now? Crude, sweet like crude. Price, my bad, guys. Give me a second. I'm trying to put the pieces together right now. We're doing some investigative work. 1 second. West Texas crude, it's up 1%, $63 a barrel. Yeah, so I think, right, oil's rising, right? Yeah, oil's rising. I mean, so oil's rising. Dollars should be strengthening. What is DXY doing? DXY should be strengthening. 1 second, guys. 76 people, what's up? Pulling it up. I'm pulling it up. Okay, it's loading. Hold up. Don't click off. Hold Well, what the hell's going on? Just kidding. It's bouncing a little bit. It's bouncing a little bit. Okay. So the dollar might be like start coming back a little bit, bounce up a little bit. That would make sense for the drop in crypto, right? Because oil is getting shocked in its supply. Oil was dropping for a while. So this could be like affecting the macro crypto as well, you know. But I don't have that narrative really ironed down. It's kind of like more opaque. But you know, there's other things happening right now. It's a very choppy time in the financial system. Okay. Dow Jones on shaky legs. Dollar's been going down on shaky legs. Crypto's been booming, but now it's coming down. We're having like one of those contraction moments like we had in March of 2020, man. This is like a spitting image of March 2020. Like everything was tanking. And then in response, the Fed printed money. And then everything started going back up. Crypto started going back up. Dow Jones got reflated. Crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. We could always guess. But I'm just saying, sometimes this stuff is more complicated than it's made out to be. It's not just Bitcoin's dead. You know, that's what people would say if they just study like crypto. It seems like random. It seems like, you know, but if you know how complicated like economics is, it could be things that aren't necessarily crypto. Could mean that Bitcoin's taking a lot of the brunt of the like, you know, contraction, and it might not be fair. Might not be fair. I just bought some BEPRO. I'm a glutton for punishment. 77 people. All right, Dad Master. Let's see this. Let's see what's going on. Well, hey. I mean, bro, this is your saving grace, man. Like, look how far this came down. You can load all up on this thing. I know you want this thing for a minute. 31% down. Damn. How far you think it'll go, though? It might go down to here, man. 0.002. Damn. It's a perfect time to buy, guys. It's a perfect time to buy. But will we? Will you? Did you prepare to buy? If you didn't, might want to chill out. If you're a crypto hater, you might want to sell your bags. You know, it all depends on what you guys want to do and what you believe in. You know. BTC going to 19K easily. Okay, VG. So, I mean, guys, it's like easy for people to make these claims when it's already going down. I could do that, you know? Just sold 111 EOS accumulated. $2.5 for a GPU. 220 EOS until the end of next year goal. Oh, so the 10x multiple. Cool. You got a 250? What is it now? It's dropping like a rock while I'm on here, right? Oh wow, you got $250 EOS, and I mean it's right now it's at 404. That's pretty wild. Hey, I picked some up at like $1.40. I know, it was so cheap. It was like unnaturally cheap. I had to get a little bit, just a little bit. Hi, Master Dub. What do you think of the AAVE? I shall show you AAVE, my friend. $247. Oh, I mean, this thing could come back down. This thing is already dropping pretty hard. I mean, I'm looking at like $200, like $200 for AAVE, because like it rated 2 bounces, no support coming in here, or volume coming in here. It probably dipped down to like 200 or high 100 somethings, right? So that's what I think of it, man, because we're pretty much already past this point like of the grind and support that was built in. So the next point is right here. I think there's further downside on that one, man. Tierra Luna is getting hit. It's getting smacked. It's getting freaking beat up. Wow. Holy moly, guys. This thing passed it. I thought it was going to get caught right here at like $6. This thing's past that. This thing is going down to like $2.60 or farther. Rip. Bro, that's like a Lehman moment on the... Wow, because this is a pretty big crypto. That's interesting. But it did go ham as hell. Okay. A lot of people bought this thing because of the deflationary aspect of it. Thinking that like it will continue to get burned and burned and burned, just run up. And it did do that. But because it didn't have much support built in, this thing is falling hard and fast. I mean, if this thing comes down here, that's interesting opportunity. If it comes down here, holy smokes. That might be an opportunity of a lifetime. But we'll have to see, guys. We'll have to see. Two to 3 weeks, in my opinion, would be much higher. Great time to buy. I was saying like a month, maybe some change after that. We need some time to like consolidate. People feel very sketchy right now. People are hesitant to jump in. Even large, like big crypto personalities are hesitant to jump in. So like we got to keep an eye on it. But once that starts to firm up, I think money will find its way back into here. Because a lot of people, new people, made money. A lot of people just got burned, but a lot of people made new money in Doge and stuff. They're going to see low prices and say, I'm going to do it again. Because that's what people in crypto like to do. One second. Yuan will run up when the dust settles. I almost picked some up. Yeah, I mean, that thing shown some resiliency since it's been around, you know. Hey, Dub, peace. See you later. Dub, please take a look at Singularity Net. They're hard forking on Cardano. Dang, I know this thing was going up pretty hard, but it's got to be tanking. That's well, you know, this thing might come back down because it's sitting right at that support. Maybe it's even lower. I can't tell. I think a little lower. So this thing might come down to 10 cents. What's the supply? 1 billion? Yeah. I know there was like some hype early, like later on in that like first impulse up for this coin though. They're hard forking on the Cardano off of Ethereum, I'm assuming. That's a good play because Ethereum's costing everyone $40 a transaction. That sucks. What about the HBAR and Chainlink news? You talking about like which piece of news? NASA or anything the Fed said? Talking about the Fed? Yeah, you know, look, HBAR is doing that dip thing that a lot of these coins did, right? You see this big down and then dip. That's a bounce. People buying that bounce. But you know, they need to look at the last low, right? Last low was sitting at damn near $24. People bought this thing when it hit 21, bounced up, but this is a lower low, which means it might even go lower. That's why I've been saying HBAR get hit like 15 to 14 cents. Could go lower, but hey, like at some point people are gonna start buying HBAR up. You know, it's a good project. So 14 cents, I think, would be like my next interest area if I was to buy alts. But like I said, like I think Bitcoin is a play right now. Oh, and Link, right? $76 people, what's up? This is a hard stream, guys. I know, it's not that many fun and games right now. I know. 17 cents. I mean, $17 for Link. Wow. Oh, okay. So I got my first link at $4. Link ran the hell up, $52. I took my profits off a link, so I'm not tripping about this. But what I'm trying to say to you is my entry point was somewhere around here. Right? Now we're all the way back down in the realm, like the general vicinity of it. If you wanted to buy Link, these times aren't looking too horrible. If you don't want to buy Bitcoin first, Link's typically been it has been a market like leader before in 2020. So like that might be an exception to the Bitcoin rule, but after the volatility's gone, like Bitcoin is a safe haven during the drops. As much of a safe haven in crypto can be, you guys know what I'm saying. Link though has outperformed Bitcoin periodically though, and hasn't done it for long spans of time. Oh yeah, Chainlink joined the Hedera Hashgraph team. Hashgraph will send blockchain to the museum sooner or later, guys. Oh yeah, so Chainlink integrated with Hedera, which means that they're going to be that's the oracle they're going to be using to input real-time data into Hedera Hashgraph. And it's the same like data oracle provider that a lot of projects use in crypto. So it's like pretty much synced up data. Whoever uses Chainlink, every major project almost uses Chainlink. Hedera getting hooked up to Chainlink kind of, inputs the same data into Hedera. So it should be pretty seamless from platform to platform, even if you jump on Hashgraph. So I think that's great news. It's not saving the prices. I think that's good fundamental news. Literally the worst time to short. I would not do any leverage trades right now, guys. Unless you're 150% sure. Like, man, it's too volatile right now. Can you have more than one ledger, like backups? Yeah. As many ledgers as you want to buy, you can buy. I have one like just not used in case like something happens, I lose mine, it gets stolen or something like that. I can regenerate my my holdings into that. I got a Nano S as like the backup into the backup. So like I can always recover my funds like really quickly. I don't gotta wait for another one to come. But yeah, you could split it up. You can have one for each person in your family. You could have one whole multiple like wallets for different people in your family on one, like whatever you want to do. You can have one stored in different locations, all that. Where do you see HBAR's all-time high this year? See, that's the problem, man. Like, I don't really know how to value these really new coins. HBAR hasn't been around for a cycle or so. HBAR's been doing well. I would say that HBAR probably, it's hard, right? It's all more or less a guess, but I would say like double digits, probably mid double digits, like probably, maybe, I don't know. It moves hard and fast and up, it's different technology completely. So either my mind is HBAR is going to kill it or HBAR is going to be lackluster. As far as we've seen it so far, HBAR has been killing it. HBAR has all the partners. It's hot, right? So if you made me pick a number, I would say between 50 to 100. 50 to 100. That's my answer. What's the basis between that number? It's hard. You're making me think of structures that really haven't played out enough yet. But that's what I'm going to say. Chainlink is co-owner of Hedera. Are they co-owners or are they partnering? I thought they were partnering. Or are they like, damn it. I thought I read that right. My bad. Maybe. I don't know. Where Lambo? Man, it's still in my head, bro. It's right here. It's red. Nah, I wouldn't get a Lambo, man. I wouldn't get a Lambo. I would get probably get like a Mercedes Benz, man. I like Mercedes Benz. Lambo, sometimes it's like doing too much for me, Like I'm more like I just want to play some Dom Kennedy, roll around, moonroof, sunroof, all white, all black, nothing in between. You know what I'm saying? But like I'm kind of more low key like that. Lambos be going fast. I don't know if I can control it. I might just go so fast I start flying away to the moon. Swap 20 EOS, about 60% off. We'll sell back for when evens out. Thanks. Yep, there you go. You just wait for it to re-equalize. There you go. Percentage right away. I was wondering, when did you first mention SHIBA on your videos? Because I believe you did like a while ago. I've never made a video on SHIBA. I've talked about it on my live streams and stuff, but I've never done a video on SHIBA. Mainly because I felt like it was just like a piggyback off of the DOGE success. You know, you can make some money on it if you're early. I wasn't early, you know, so like, why would I bring that up as an opportunity for people when I think the train has already left the station? But it's coming back down. Maybe it's going to meet you at a very, very discounted price. Will you have the fortitude to buy? Will SHIBA come back again? I don't know. Have people been burned so hard they'll never jump into that coin again? Possibility. A lot of people getting wrecked on that thing. If Dub would be an emotional support animal, what would he be? I would be a very cute porcupine, man. Be like, hey, come here, hug me. Nah, I've been for a long time. Okay, I forgot what we were talking about, man. I'm kind of tripping about my bags. I'm reading a lot of comments. This ring light's burning my face off. I'm gonna sunburn out here, man. Yeah. No, I'm good. Bull market been exhausting. Yeah, dude, like it has. It's been tough for me. I got a YouTube channel, man. You know? It ain't fun coming on here when things are tanking, but I gotta do it. I gotta keep myself accountable. But I hear you. I've been tripping a little bit, but it's all good. What are we gonna do? If I trip, everything's gonna stay the same. If I don't trip, everything's gonna stay the same. I might as well not trip. I'm in it for the long haul. I have no choice. Hold up. Everything is up right now? Oh, really? Is it a miracle? Is it a Christmas miracle, guys? SHIBA's up 40%. I mean, no, it's up 4%. Terra Luna is getting smacked to death. Holy sh! You like that self-censor? Yeah, we got young people watching the channel now, man. I gotta remember that. I sold all a week ago. Pretty happy waiting for BTC to 24 to 25 zone. Ooh, Mohammed, there you go. That's that wolf stuff. Congrats, man. In and out. So you sold everything? It takes balls, man. But I'm glad it worked out for you. That's hot. You're gonna double up. See, Mohammed's not looking to get out. He got out for now, but he's looking to get back in. Interesting. Wow, lost 50K BNB crashed. So guys, let's remember though, you didn't lose the money. If you didn't pull the money, you didn't lose the money. You lost portfolio value. The only time you lose the money is like when your capital gets shrunk up. You know, but still, if you didn't sell, you didn't realize the loss. The only time you realize the loss is when you sell. If you're selling into the weakness, that means you didn't have enough money like on the side to help yourself get through the time of the correction. That's why we don't like to invest things we're not willing to lose. You know what I'm saying? And that's why we don't like to buy highs, because it could shrink our capital. Buying low to the ground reduces the chance of you losing some of that capital. Doesn't eliminate it, because there's things I bought on the ground that they're kind of in the red right now. You know, but it does minimize the fact of my money just getting evaporated 70% like in Luna. You know what I'm saying? So like, what the hell was I saying? Crashed. Yeah, portfolio value. That's not you losing money. That was it fluctuating and you were looking at it and you were impressed by it. You only lose it when you sell. And if you didn't pull the profits way at the high, it really wasn't yours yet. You know what I'm saying? There's a difference. I know how it feels though. It feels like crap. Let's make DubDigital coin. I could have it done in 10 minutes. Oh, for real? What the hell would it do? What would it do? What the hell would it do? I'm open to it though. Communist China, one goal in mind for them, total government control. Yeah, maybe. But I feel like I got Chinese viewers, man. You know? I ain't gonna say it like that. What I'm gonna say is China is probably trying to get some free Bitcoins right now. Or like some cheap Bitcoins right now. Probably to back their digital Yuan system coming out. I think they're gonna back their crap of Bitcoin. Everyone was saying like, oh yeah, they're gonna back with gold. It's like, yeah, but wouldn't it be better to back with the digital gold? The one that's like audible. How do you say it? Auditable? Whatever. I'm probably messing that word up. You know? I thought about it and it makes a perfect sense. That's why they keep saying they're banning it when they have a blockchain system. You know? I think they're just being tricksters. Right now. Man, I put the most in VeChain and it's dumped bad. Nah. Guys, this is why I say portfolio. It pays to have some Bitcoin because alts, they go up a lot and it makes you feel really confident when they're going up. But when they come down, it's bad. You know, so like it offers you some stability and it's also important to have some stable coins on the side to get through times like this. And if you have extra above and beyond that, to buy dips. The hierarchy is this. Make sure you're okay financially to withstand it because time heals most wounds. And if you have overabundance of stable coins, then you could redeploy them and back into the game, you know? Oh, BTC head and shoulder pattern, 1 to 2 hour candle. I'll check it out. I've been almost 2 hours. Dang. One to 2 hour. Gotta do the 1 hour. Head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, right? Or I'm not seeing a right and left shoulder. I see a left shoulder, but it's higher than the head, you know, so that's not really like a head and shoulders, man. I'm not seeing that. I mean, but hey, that would be super bearish. Store of value. 2017 all over again. Well, yeah, I mean, in comparison to purchasing power in the crypto space, BTC holds its gains better. But in comparison to all assets combined, it's not there yet. I mean, we can obviously see money's getting pulled out of this thing. The real time that it's going to shine, guys, is when there's no cash and everything has to stay digital. This can't happen, you know, but like, I don't know what he's trying to say with like, are you saying that the bull run's over? I don't know the point. But basically, like, yeah, guys, this is an emerging industry. It's young. It's nascent. It's a nascent asset. I mean, everyone laughed at the internet for being all weird when it was young, you know. Hey. Damn, Bob. Those are fighting words, Bob. 47 people's up. I got a long-term goal for collecting Algorand. 80% portfolio. Any tips on how to balance my other 20%? When watching from Vancouver, got to go to work. Thanks for all the knowledge. Much appreciated. Okay, so you have 80% Algorand in your portfolio. It's all staking, right? How to balance my other 20%. If you want to balance it, right? You want something that would counteract it. I think some of it should be BTC. Right? I think some of it should be BTC because like it's a market leader. You should have a market leader in it. I think Algorand's a good altcoin, you know, but it's definitely a smaller cap. So whether that be like pick large market leader, BTC, you should have some stable coins. Like if you want to balance it, that infers that you want like things that are non-correlated to each other. That's balancing. So those If you want some other kind of altcoin, you can. It's just not like as uncorrelated as the other things could get. So yeah, and make sure to check my video I did a while ago. I think it's been getting passed around, but I talk about how to make a altcoin or a cryptocurrency portfolio, the different percentages of altcoins to Bitcoin, and what they're for, like what they give you and what you're trying to accomplish using them. So check my channel out. It's pretty low down there though. No one's seen it. I know it has like 100 views, but like it was good stuff. Quality just sucks. Are you bullish on ETH? Oh, yeah. ETH's cool, but like ETH's a piece of shit right now. It's charging me like $40 a transaction, man. That's enough to make me slap myself. That's enough to make me slap ETH. That's enough to make me slap Vitalik. Who else is on ETH? I'm gonna slap him too. Slap, slap, slap. Give Vitalik this. What the heck? I mean, I like ETH, man. But like, how can I really fall in love with it if it's costing me $40? Like, that's a huge, huge problem. Okay, I'm not gonna sit here and act like it's not. It's a very big problem. And they're really late on ETH too. They're really late. They're supposed to get this, what, 2017? Like, goddamn, man. Like, come on. I like ETH. I think it's good. I think it has a lot of liquidity locked up in it, but it's theirs to lose. It's theirs to lose. At this point, they have all the support they need. They got the whole cult of ETH loving them. They got every single, like, really big Twitter name in crypto talking about them. They got futures now. They got Grayscale all up on them. Come on, ETH. What's up? Deliver or shut up, bro. Like, at the end of the day, man, that's how real business is conducted. Like, in the boardroom, that's how it's conducted. You're cool. You look great on paper, but what have you done for me lately, man? Yeah, it ran up, but like, he's got to really deal with that gas problem. I don't care what none of y'all say. That's what's the point of the blockchain if you can't use the blockchain? But you know, there's some upgrades coming. They just can't come soon enough for me. I hold my ETH, but damn, man, like, I'm kind of disappointed how they've handled this. Hold up. The bottom is in when every influencer is scared. CNBC calling for fear, pretty close in my opinion. From this point, not scared, just picky. What I kept and will get into again. Of course. Zeke, it's prudent to be picky. You know, like, we just saw that. People bought into that pump and it dropped farther. That's why tranche in over time, you know? You might not like get the buying the bottom like feel and the return, but you're being responsible with that money that you have left. If you have a whole bunch of stable coins sitting on the side, you sold the top and you're ready to deploy it, you could be much more liberal with it. It's all about how you've like navigated all of this. So if you don't have a lot of money left or whatever, then you're best averaging in, you know. But I don't think like being picky on buy areas is necessarily you doubting the recovery. It's you trying to manage your money in the smartest way you can. That's why, like, you know, that's what a good investor does, especially when you're investing other people's money. You know, that's what people call a fiduciary responsibility. You know, don't treat other people's money better than yours. Ain't no one gonna care about your money more than you do. That's for sure. $50 to $100, I'd be set for life. You talking about HBAR? It's just so hard, man, because the network's still growing. It's young. It just hit a lot of transactions. Everything I've been seeing is bullish. It's getting like, what, Australia CBDC, talking America about a CBDC, Google, all this stuff. Like, how do you value that network when the network is still growing, but you know it's going to be big? Right? Like, this thing is pretty small and is doing and getting more partners and stuff than a lot of these other blockchains are doing. And they've been around for a while. So when you look at it like that, it's like you're making a lot of guesstimates and extrapolations, right? So the number I'm given, you know, take it with a grain of salt, but Tell me why something like HBAR can't be successful. It can be. And we know what happens to successful cryptos in, in the cryptocurrency space. They go up a lot. So if you think that number's far-fetched, okay. You just know how I derived it. It's pretty rough. But I see it's possible. Everyone in the council is automatically an owner. Oh, okay. I feel you. So they're part of the council. Yeah. I was like, they bought HBAR? Yo, check out Cartesi Dope Project. Yeah, I did a couple videos on Cartesi before it dropped on Coin. Well, way before. I did it on 2020. I stopped covering them. Let's see how far it's dropped. I know it's dropping. 81 people in the chat. What's up? 46 cents. Wow, this thing hit above $1? Holy smokes. You know what, guys? I was making videos about this, I think over here. So I dropped it because like nothing happened. No one was searching this, and then bang. See how this goes though, guys? Like, that's why you buy low. I mean, you just make sure it's a good project. Backers, been around a little bit. Boom. It's going to go up eventually, most likely. Now we're coming down. So this thing came down a lot. The volume's not peaking in. How far can it go? Could it touch down to, well, we're pretty much almost there, to be honest. They'll probably grind. It'll probably find a bottom, but damn. If you guys are looking to get in Cartesi, it's come down a lot. It just got on Coinbase too. Probably spiked like that because it got on Coinbase, right? And now it's coming down a lot because the people who bought it on Coinbase didn't know anything about Cartesi. See how that works? It matters who's in the move. Yo, Dub, really appreciate the stream. Thanks. Yeah, guys, I'm glad. Like, trying to give you guys something. I know how it is. You're new. You're like, what the heck? My money's all gone. Where'd it go? You see my money? You know, trying to give some understanding to this. This is a very exponential space, and there's a lot of people haven't experienced exponential gains in like dumps like this. I know I tripped when I first saw it. It's kind of hard to try to figure out what's going on when it's still going on. But I'm glad you guys are taking something from this. Now, we're going to lose people in this dump. People are going to capitulate and sell, get all bitter out crypto. We're going to gain people in this. People are going to see the opportunity and buy it. We're going to keep people from this. But all that matters is what you think about crypto. Not what so-and-so says. Not what you read on the chat. Not what your relatives say, saying, ha, 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 I told you Bitcoin was stupid. It's what you think. Don't abandon your ideas and foresight on the future. You know what I'm saying? If you believe in an asset, you believe in an asset. Mercedes-Benz AMG G63. I like Mercedes. It looks so white. It looks so like clean, man. You know? They glimmer in the sun the way I like. Looking all sexy and stuff. Making me want to do donuts in the street. Flipping everyone off. Laughing at them. HBAR bag loaded up again. Loving those 19-cent dip. Wow. What? HBAR. 2 hours. Damn. We're doing it. HBAR is 20 cents now. Okay, cool. I mean, yeah. HBAR could come down to 14 cents from what I saw. Not financial advice. Respect that many others are in hiding and won't come out. You talking about influencers? Yeah, man. Happens, you know. I'm used to it. Guys, in my last job, these executives used to ride me to death. They ain't even no chill, bro. Like, I'd be sitting there like, okay, yeah, we missed this forecast this month because what the hell did I figure this out? It's like, this ain't that bad to me. I don't even got to tap dance. I don't even have to like, you know, do like all this. Hey, stop yelling at me. Look at this. I used to do all kinds of shit. That's why like I would make jokes a lot. I'll be like, oh, I gotta be funny. I missed the quota again. I gotta be funny. I don't know, guys. Look at my face. I'm laughing right now, but I'm crying inside. Ow. Sometimes I forget I had surgery like a week ago. Sell into strength and buy the dip. See, things go up. Probability of it coming down gets greater and greater until it actually does. It feels counterintuitive, but selling when you're in profit at the top, you feel like you're cutting your gains, but eventually it's going to come back down, and now you have money to redeploy. Because when something comes down, the probability of it rising is great. It's all mean reversion. Pull back to baseline. Dumps, pulls back to baseline. Goes up, pulls back. You see what I'm saying? It just feels weird. I know. My portfolio is so down. It's pointless to sell now. Bingo. You're right. Because what happens when you sell, guys? You call it a day. Wherever you were, freeze point in time. That's what it's going to be. There's no hope for it to come back. There's no miracle Bitcoin rally to save your bags. It's gone. And if I was to sell in the bear market, I would have been crushed more than I am today. Oh, I would be a freaking broke dude. I would be out on freaking Saviors Boulevard over there, tap dancing, doing the robot, painted like a Tin Man, doing all crazy shit, man. Nah, I held that crypto and I held a belief, and I waited till it rose up again. It just took 3 years, but it came up again. I don't think this dip is going to last that long. And I don't think this dip is going to be that bad in comparison to what happened in the bear market. So what I'm saying to you is this. You're correct. The destiny of your portfolio is 100% up to you right now. What will you do? What will you do? People are calling for 24 or 25 so much. I think it will reach it. That's when people will re-enter. I did a measure move to 27. I could totally see how it could overshoot, hit 25, 24. I don't think 20 is going to happen again, because we have so many like banks right now and like MicroStrategy and all these people, you know. I think they're going to get on it like sharks on, like piranhas on whatever piranhas eat. Piranha food. Broccoli? Do piranhas eat broccoli? I think I've seen them eat broccoli once. It's getting real right now. Riding this thing out for the bounce back, whenever that is. Well, I think we had a bounce already. I think we might dip lower. I mean, hell, why not? Everyone's scared. They're gonna make you super scared. They like doing that shit. I don't know, the people who do this, people who have 1 million Bitcoin. I don't know, you know. But at the same time, man, yeah, crypto's a real ass industry. You know, like we go hard in the paint. We go up a lot, we go down a lot. There's no in between. There ain't no like nice linear gain. It's all like, it's like that. That's why not everyone gets rich in this spot. You know, like this is wild. It's a wild west, man. I get why people aren't used to it. It's, yeah, me feeling a certain way when I first got into it. Movie Clip says bull run hasn't started. I think it started, but I think people are underestimating how high it can go. We're in May and we hit 65,000. A lot of people are saying, oh, Bitcoin can only get to 100,000 or whatever the ideas are in mind. Because we're so up so quick, that means that the cycle is going to be shorter and compressed. I think that's a assumption that no one's really explained to me yet. To me, I interpret that as Bitcoin going up so fast, indication of the cycle being larger than people expected. Well, DubDigital, my bags are dumping and you're at talking like this. It's an unpopular opinion. But that's what we've seen in March of 2020. And I believe in fractals and I believe in charts. So you knew I was going to say that. Buying on the long term, 5 to 10 years, these pullbacks mean very little. Hey, well, Terry Mack, if you're buying 5 and 10 year time frame, then damn, like, yeah, you're right. It'll probably be a blip. I think in end of this year it'll be a blip, but you know, 5 to 10 years it'll really be a blip. News says the MBS is dropping crypto to put billions into it. Look, guys, we had some like corporations entering crypto. We had some of them, like a handful of them. The rest of them was looking at MicroStrategy and Tesla's balance sheet being like, oh, who that over there? Hey, who is that? Who is that? Be liking that. You know, they be saying that. They be talking to friends, trying to scope it out, see what's up. See if they should go on over there. You know, holler a little bit. They're gonna holler. They're gonna holler. But, you know, not at these prices. They got standards. Vitalik catching the hands, bro. Man, Vitalik, I got freaking, oh my God, man. I got hands, dog. I could throw them. I got a ring right here, too. You know what I'm saying? See that? Vitalik, you don't want none of that. He don't even look like he can dodge, man. Vitalik just sits there like this, like, easy target. Just kidding. Not a threat, Vitalik. It's all entertainment purposes, man. You see, didn't you read the disclaimer? What the heck? 76 people looking at me like I'm a fool. It's okay. That's part of my show. I think ETH will be obsolete unless major changes are made. Elitist coin now. Doesn't confirm to original crypto, whatever. Just not feasible. We have a few elitist coins out here, man. BTC is one of them. I mean, I talk about BTC as like a portfolio like thing, but come on. It's so damn expensive. And like half of Twitter who talks about Bitcoin and Bitcoin maxis they look like they're rich as shit already, you know? So like, I feel the same way kind of ETH is getting to that point too, where there's not too many like OG sentiment and like old crypto ethos in it. It's just kind of like, it's a lot of money and we're already rich and it's all good. Just buy our coin. And that's how I feel about it. You know, that's why I buy Ethereum Classic too. That's why I buy Bitcoin Cash too, because I can see that starting to form out. Now, will Bitcoin just like, is that the way it's supposed to be? And it's predestined to be this pristine collateral store of value? Maybe. That's why I hold it. I'm never going to act like I know what's going to happen, but I hear you. That's why I hold both the versions of them. I think it's useful technology, and for that reason, it's one of them is going to be like valued fairly. I just want to make sure I'm in it. Can't wait for the Tesla Q2 earnings report. It's going to be hot. It's going to be hot. It's all about network size. ETH ain't going nowhere. Yeah, Rockin' Block Crypto, like, I know it's all about network size, but people can't use the network, man. You know? Like, how does that not over time reduce network size by people, like, not making as many transactions as they want to? How can the network scale like that? Unless, you know, people have unlimited money, you know? So what I'm saying is, like, ETH's not going anywhere. It's just, it needs to be addressed. We all know that. The gas, before ETH can really scale to what it should really be doing, the gas situation needs to be addressed. Whether they handle on a layer 2, whatever, I just want it to be fixed. Because I really don't want to pay $40 to swap 40 bucks of an ERC20 token. Does that seem reasonable to anybody here? Like, seriously, man. You should do a BEPRO video. Huge following. Yeah, guys. I mean, so you probably see I do ebbs and flows of like content based on what I think is most like useful for you guys right now. The videos seem to do really well in bringing new people in, but I'm not going to do a whole bunch of new videos on new projects when it's all-time highs. Why am I telling you about stuff with now everything's on the lows? Now it makes sense to start bringing on some new videos. Doing some more altcoin gem playlists. You know? But yeah, I'm open to it now. It came down enough for me. AVAX, please. 67 people. Wow. 2 hours plus. Damn. Avalanche. $13. It's coming down. I mean, you know, it's damn near, yeah, already hit this first plateau right here. See if it holds. I see the volume like coming down still. How far will it go? I'm not sure. I mean, from a technical standpoint, it should be caught right here. This is a long time sitting in this range. So this should be a pretty good hard sticking point. Unless BTC just drops to like 20K, then it can fall through. But, you know, that's kind of a intense situation. You know what I'm saying? DGB. I can look at DGB. DGB's chart probably looks wild. Yeah. DGB looks wild. Holy smokes. Script Skynet, you in here? Script. Go save DGB, man. What are you doing in here? Jesus. What the heck? Look at this thing. This thing's dropping. Okay, so Digibyte. You guys made it up to the top. This is messed up. You guys waited 7. You guys have been waiting so damn long. Oh, I don't mean to laugh. Oh my God. What a buzzkill, right? Right at the top. We're like, yeah. What? Huh? It could come down to here. 3 cents. But I know my Digibyte team. You guys like to buy the bit. And you like to buy your coin. So I know you guys are probably licking your chops. If you have any capital left, you're probably licking your chops. But notice, guys, like this looks very reminiscent of Matic, like early on. Because I had Matic like since 2020, and I looked at all like the structure it was making, and there were long protruding like ups and downs. Like it was crazy. Like, hold up. Let's see if we can see it right here. Okay, never mind. My bad. It wasn't a good example. But Digibyte, yeah, this is crazy. This fell out of the bed. But again, man, Digibyte got up there once. Digibyte got up there twice. Now it's coming down. I mean, it's showing you that it's going higher every single time. It's able to get back up to 15 cents or so every single time. Why wouldn't it do it again? I don't know why it wouldn't. Drop suck bad, but still up 4x from where I started. Might reallocate, but ain't selling. Yeah. I like that. I like that thinking, Lane Brown. Wasn't there a sell-off in 2017? 370 days after halving, just like this year? 370 days of sell-off? Hold up. I got the BTC chart. I don't know what you're talking about. Let's see. 370 days after the halving. I don't remember when it happened. When did the halving happen in 2017? What month? Do you know? I mean, look, guys, look. Let's just look at the 2017 cycle. These drops have been pretty nasty. They've been more nasty than 2017, to be honest. They're kind of intense. That drops like 46%. This is about almost 40%. This one was 30%. Yeah, so, hey, baby cycle, baby drops. Bigger cycle, bigger drops. 60%. 53%. 60-ish percent would be down here at 27-ish. Right? DubDigital, what the hell? This is like a smaller drop than this one. Not in percentage terms. You know? Not in percentage terms. Moses Greengrass, what's up? How you been? This is my favorite crypto live show. Entertaining as fuck. Can I say that? I probably can't say that. God. Demonetized again, guys. God. I always learn something. Holy. Thanks, Dad Master. I appreciate you. I got to get it down. They be taking my stuff, demonetizing me. I'm like, YouTube, what the hell are you doing, man? Sometimes when I think of things, I drink more, so I buy more time. That wasn't enough time this time, so I'm gonna drop that joke. What's up? Hang in there, y'all. Savage shakeout, in my opinion. Yeah, it's savage. It's savage as hell. Holy smokes. Making me want to call my mom. Tell her, Mom? Mom? Well, she's like, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Love you, Mom. Like, what the hell are you going? Nowhere. See you later. Everyone short Bitcoin and use 100x leverage. Make sure to trade with your entire stack to maximize profits. J. Dean. I think you're joking, J. Dean. If you're not joking, tell me how it goes. I ain't doing that. Secret weapon on Secret Network. Looks pretty promising. See, I'm not looking to buy any obscure alts right now. If anything, they got to be blue chip market leaders. Things that are going to lead the pack first. If not Bitcoin, insert what you think the market leader is. Link's done it before, but doesn't mean it's going to do it again. ETH's done it before, doesn't mean it's going to do it again. Link overtook ETH in 2020. The one most, I guess you would say, safe play would be Bitcoin if you wanted to stay bullish, into the market leader. If you're bearish crypto, sell your crypto. If you're bearish crypto, sell your crypto. If you're bullish crypto, hold your crypto. That's basically the stream info. You know what I'm saying? ...2013 had drops like this. Yeah, 2013 had pretty good rises and percentage-wise to its all-time high. I can't say it, huh? God. Another one bites the dust. Wayne White, super sticker, $2. In ease, 0. Thanks, man. Made me blush. I can't wipe this stupid smile on my face. Let's see. JD and LOL. I'd be LOL all over the place. How do you feel about internet computer? We looked at it. Make sure to come back to the stream in a couple days. And I'll have a timestamp. You can check it out. But this thing's bleeding. Probably what I said was low 100s. Looks like where it's rounding off. But if it goes on two digits, it seems like a deal to me. But again, it's not like proving itself to be a market leader. If you're really looking for a relative value play, why don't you buy a market leader? You're going to get that less drop, and then you're going to get that first lift off when the alts don't follow. Then you can drop it in, But if you want to buy out right away, that thing looks like it's kind of rounding out in accumulation. Not financial advice. What do you think Saudi Arabia rich people are doing this dip? I don't know, Rex, You know? What are they doing? Are they scared? Are they in the fetal position, Rex? Are they crying? Warming up the milk? Getting the bottle out? Going nom-noms? Going night-night? Is that what they're doing? I don't know, Rex, you tell me. The big players are buying, I bet. Yeah, because the big players are the only one money left. They're the only ones with money left. They ran it long enough for you to exhaust your capital. Then they dropped it on you when you're out of capital. Knowing damn well they have a lot of capital. Yeah, seems like something they would do. ADA may be a stable coin. But it dropped. Okay, let's talk about this. People saying, I've heard people say XRP is a stable coin. I've heard people say a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, look. If ADA is a stable coin, this is the worst stable coin in the world. It's totally volatile. The whole point of a stable coin is the whole stable value, right? Let's pull up USDC. That's a stable coin. Not this. What the hell is this? Out my screen, man. I'm on a live stream. That's what a stable coin looks like. This isn't even like perfect, but this is what a $1 peg looks like. So if 88 is a stable coin, it don't look like this. Looks like a heartbeat. This thing had a heart attack earlier. Now it's dead. Oh, no, it's back. Oh, no, it's dead. Rip. Rip. MBS is buying this huge dip with billions. That sounds something like wolves would do. Definitely billion-dollar wolves. What do you guys think? I don't know, guys. Sounds like you guys need some drinks. The bar's open. I'm out of comments. The bar's open. I got 66 people. What do you guys want? I'm taking orders right now. What do you want? I'm mixing it up. Chat it up. It's like friends here. Everyone knows your name. I see all your names right here. What are you guys drinking? What's that shit? Harry Potter. Butterbeer? Some butterbeer? Huh? And a martini? Apple martini? I like saying that word. I used to drink gin and tonic in college. Damn, this is a gin and tonic day. I just want to sit with my legs crossed, like all pensive and sophisticated, holding a book with a candle, drinking a gin and tonic, swirling it around and stuff. CS Cowboy. Best Sunday stream. W, you're hilarious. Lakers, Suns. Who you got? I would, if you asked me 5 years ago, I'd say Lakers until they embarrassed me for the last time. Bro, like, every time I love the Lakers, it's like an abusive relationship, man. Like, I'm over here, I'm switching cable providers to watch the freaking Lakers. I'm betting my bosses, and I'm losing all the time. They already take most of my time. Now they're taking my money. Then they did that trade with Steve Nash and everyone, and they gave away their first draft picks for like a decade and millennium. I don't know what to say, man. I like Lakers. I like the Suns. Only reason I like the Suns is because Steve Nash was on it. But Steve Nash was on the Lakers too, and that was boo-boo. I don't know. Probably Lakers. But this is my feeling about the Lakers now. That was like 5 years of distress. I'd be twitching and shit. What the? That's a Laker twitch. What's your top 3 altcoins right now? I mean, by holding this like ETH, Litecoin, they're like big blue chip coins because like it's like a safety thing, right? Larger percentage for like more sanctioned grayscale coins because larger cap, bigger money, more sanction and stuff. As it goes down, like as they grow in price, I had coins overtaken stuff because I had more obscure, smaller cap coins that explode bigger. And when you construct a portfolio, guys, you like weight more of your money into the safer plays because the less safe plays are more explosive and can go up more. So in theory, you don't need to be super duper exposed to get large gains from them. That's the thought process. So it's like tiered. As you get more risky out on the fringe of the altcoin forest, you start lessening your weighting on your portfolio into them. As the bull run goes on and they start exploding, then they'll rise up the ranks as they do, and that's up to you to rebalance it. But that's the thought process. Going balls to the wall in a very small cap crypto has the highest returns, also has the highest risk. That's a Lil Portfolio Theory. There's different schools on that, Absinthe? All right. I don't know how I'm going to get this to you, though. It's right here. If you can make it over here, it's all yours. I didn't think this one out. I wasn't expecting much answers. No drinks anymore for me. Smoking only. Green grass. I could expect that from you, but it's okay. You know. Whatever you got to do, man. I know it's a trying time. I feel you. Bro, when I first saw you on YouTube, I thought you were an NBA player. Steph Curry with the shot. I know. I get that. I get that sometimes, you know. It's because I got the immaculate J, man. I be swishing it. Going in. I'll shoot from half court and then not even look and it goes in. Crazy. I'm cooking it up. Call me Chef Curry too. Right? Is it like Steph Curry? I get Steph Curry. I get Drake. I get what do you call it? Blake Griffin. I don't even know. I get them all, man. Whichever one. Which one does it look like? Probably Curry. Yeah, it's all good. 64 people, what's up? You guys check that Crypto Cito video I did with him yesterday. It's on his channel. I did like an interview. That's cool. I do interviews sometimes. I get all like you know, serious and stuff. I could clean it up. I just don't like to, you know. Well, what am I saying? No. I could get all dressed up. I could get all nice. I like talking to Crypto Cito though. I like talking Crypto Cito. I like talking Crypto Secret Circle. Those guys are cool. Curry? Dang, man. Yeah, I got that shot. Curry don't want to see me, man. Man, hey, and Dave and Buster's, I'm a killer. I'm a killer. Me and my brother just be like, I used to play college hoops, man. I used to play college hoops, but Curry wasn't as nice as me though. Don't tell him I said that. Don't tell him I said it. But I was nicer. Just kidding. Just kidding, Curry. God damn. Are the Lakers going to repeat? I don't know, man. I don't know. I thought I used to know the Lakers. Not that much no more, man. They surprising me, not surprising me. I stopped guessing. Can you check Zell? I can check Zell. That was a high performer. That was also like a quasi market leader. At least led some of the alts, most of the alts. Oh wait, hold up. I gotta leave soon though. Oh. Oh my god, this got smacked in a half. Zill got smacked in a half. If you guys didn't get a chance to get Zill, this is a good spot. You know, if you're not caring about getting a market leader, you just want to pick up a smaller altcoin, damn. I mean, how low will this thing go? This thing is almost, can get into 6 cents. Yeah, almost 6 cents. Dang. When are you going to see you on BitBoy's channel? I've been reaching out. They've been reaching out to up-and-comers like you. Really? Well, I mean, he's working with Wanshay now. Gotta know who I am. You know, but I don't know. It all depends. Do I gotta pay? I ain't with that. If it's free, I'm with it. That's how it goes. Window stickers to get those Smarties and plastic toys. Jason, what we talking about, man? Toys? What toys? You got a Happy Meal over there? You better share. Zill. Yeet. I know. Look at that shit, man. That's crazy. Zill. Sleeping with the fishes. Taking a dirt nap. Rip. You can tell the point on Zill when the next Child support payment was due. It's right there, man. There's Zill. Going to Vegas, partying, drinking, doing shots, eating sushi off of people. He's living the life. He's loving it. Boom. Uh-oh. Baby mama called. He's tripping. He just spent a lot of money. He realized he didn't pay his child support. It came back up. He thought she'd forget. He's like, nah, just chill. I'm good. I'm good. Bang! Nah, the court called him up, sent him a letter saying, we're taking the money out of your paycheck, sucker. Don't you hate it when that happens when Zill doesn't pay his child support? Messed up. Dent, what's up? Dang. Dent is struggling. Yeah. Well, good thing I didn't get no Dent yet. This is bad. This might go 0.00, well, 0.01 cent for a Dent. That's crazy. Yeah, not much to say on that chart. It's not looking good. Crypto Courier with the absence shot, boy. That's fun for everybody. REEF mainnet is going live on the 28th. Do you think it will pump or dump? All depends, man. Are we out of the woods yet? Because we're out of the woods, yeah, I think it will pump. But if it happens while this is going on, there's not a great chance, you know. REEF, it's not a huge crap coin, you know, it's not pulling like huge numbers into the, like, it was hype for a second, but it's not like a, you know, it's ETH like cult of ETH thing. It's not like a big Bitcoin maxi thing. So how can it overtake and overcome the tide, you know, if it's not a force that's as big as the tide? That's my thought process. But I could always be surprised. From what I saw, REEF community selling the news. Yeah. They it's like a life raft for them to maybe take a not as bad exit before, you know. I guess I'll pull it up before I start, like, you know, rambling on. I'm rambling today. I don't know. I gotta go though. I gotta go soon. Yeah, REEF. Volume's dipping. This thing's dipping. This thing can go down farther. I don't know where it'll end, but it's getting wrecked in a half. Celsius looks like the only coin that barely affected by this dip is holding strong. Sell. That's so funny. I remember when sell was 6 cents. $5. Oh, that's strong. Look at that buy up. That's crazy. Yeah, you know, because it's like a yield generating platform. So people get paid in it. You know, they probably like, I don't know. I can't explain it 100%, so I'll stop trying. But that is interesting. Real interesting. What's the best hardware wallet? Yeah, before I started crypto, I actually had like a website where I was like reviewing hardware wallets and stuff. And then Google sent out like a crypto search word ban or whatever, and my website just got freaking killed. So I've actually tried a good amount of wallets. The ones I've tried have been Trezor, Ledger, KeepKey. Then there's been some obscure ones, but those are the main market leaders, right? So I like KeepKey the least because it had some problems with balances showing up and it'll freak me out every time. Not crazy about it. Ledger, I like Ledger. The only knock I have on Ledger is that the data leak they got, like they let people steal the information on who ordered it. That's not a problem right now, but it had happened. Just got to be real. And that's like the only complaint I have on the company as far as the product. It works great. I use a Ledger Nano X. It's a little more expensive, but it has unlimited memory, meaning you could store all the coins you have in one spot. If you get a Ledger Nano S, you could run out of memory and have to get multiple ones. I just like everything being in one spot. Also, the Ledger Nano X, you can do it through Bluetooth. So you can trade things via hardware wallet on your phone using this thing, which is pretty tight. Then Trezor is the most secure if you're storing like proof of work blockchain stuff like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Zcash, that kind of stuff. If you're like straight hard money proof of work person, Trezor's probably your coin. I mean your hardware wallet. And it probably stores other like forks of that too. I don't use it that much. My main one is Ledger Nano X. So that's my thought. Do you remember air-gapped Armory wallets? They were the shiz back when we got in. No. My main source of storing was on a CD on Bitcoin Core, like, you know, where you had to like sync the whole thing. And then I just stored it in there and I lost my password and I had to like remember it. But yeah, I wasn't that high tech. I was just like, got it, stored it. And then in 2017 is when I really got into like self-custody and doing it in a better, more robust way. But other than that, guys, I gotta go. Interesting stream, a little different. Come back, I'll timestamp it. But hang in there. Hang in there. It's getting nasty. It's getting rough. But we're gonna get through it. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later.